ni kwithirite kwina nkindano ya ukindanira kura kwi milioni imwe cia kaunti ya Meru na ni nyuma ya Kithure Kindiki deputy president kwithirwa akiliunga ndene ya kaunti ya Meru actually ni kwi maita ya 5 ndene ya ciumia bikuniira bithatu na kiri ndiunga ichi onthe Kindiki nethirite aichonania yawe kwithirwa ati niwe munene wa Kirimara na muno ruterero especially after miario ya former CS Senator Mithika Linturi kwithirwa akiuga ati Tharaka ti Meru mantu yani ndini yatumite Kindiki akarania ka frequent sana kiumiki kikuthira Kindiki nethiritwo ari Meru maita ya 3 ndene ya kiumi kimwe na kiumi kithirwo ringi nari kuo na ntukwire ngi ni nari terira cia Central Menti untubobwe maanisha ati akiri siasa cia Meru na siasa cia Mount Kenya na of course kiri wati mbarubwa Professor Kithure Kindiki yakabubuteani United Opposition nio or is it not ni bedri tubare Meru kiumiki kwa kaita kan tuko ithatu muthiatano kuma ntuku ya Jumamosi na ruari Jumapili na rabedri tubare nteri na bukinyo bakeria kuambia kariba Meru na ringi bakura baona kethro kubiba kethro bakiona ruterero bakiwa ati nibo ene Kirimara bongwa na kuona nia uibwa President Ruto na thirikari ya Kenya kwanza bakeri kinyabo kwithro bakechuriria na kiama kio kijeru kia DCP of course na Kalonzo Musyoka nwe bathiatene nwe kiri ndiunga ya Meru but bangi baiku ba United Opposition or it is not united anymore. Yani yo mantu yamatu getha tukiaria kiri chungikia siasa tukubaru ari batu ari kwe mantu ya karikira ara kanisene ya Kaga Methodist Church na araba kuwati antuba United Opposition ni bedire bakiru kwithro baeta marombene kanisene ya Kaga Methodist lakini kuringa na communication niyo ya mwari wa kanisa ye Reverend Lenguli ariwati batiretete opposition kiri maromba ya ruari ndobeta wakanisene yeah of course kedro ni aini karibu sana kile mubanga echingia siasa tuko ruari na woni kwethra wengo ati kwari mubango ene yuna of course kwariria mantu ya kuma rotero roturi na bwana Steve Kanyanya Steve ni mukiama wa DCP na nakurwirete kia MP nterira cia bure karibu sana Steve.
Asante
thank you very much oringino tubakoya
asante
mheshimiwa Jim Muchoi muchoro wetu sana mubango wetu nkia siasa na ni MCA wa wadi ya Dhwana na nwe majority chief whip nene ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru mantu kiumiki hiki kuthira kidogo imekuandama na were ya news ine boneno itare impeachment is coming to haunt you again. Karibu sana.
Asante
Martin. Okay. Na wakili Mureithi Ntonkobito Mustafa ni wakili wa kutheta kioto kio mtu na ni murwiri wetekia senator na kiama kia DCP kana kuthama
bari tazama wewe
kiama kia DCP kiri kaunti ya Meru la kuretekia senator karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Thank you very much. Na kwenda wonia au ni mchorongo wetu wa kipindi gege chungia siasa Kiki Bensuda kana Kimboi karibu sana Kiki.
Ipoeka.
Thank you very much. Kiki na kuretekia Tiania West na tikiti ya UDA. Mtu achuri ya UDA inaene tayari Kiki itumikia wita na wimbi batukariri mantu badai kata wabiri I think kanisene ya Methodist is most recent. Steve ipo witi kanisene ya Methodist
mbere ndi monoki na ndi Methodist.
Oh okay.
And at some point mbako thorotiji ndari mutumirio Methodist na ali saketi number 42
yeah kambibe tumantu
na kiri Kaga Synod ndari coordinator youth na ndetaga mwanka connection so anything to do with Methodist I know what Methodist means na ndiri turambiriria gwitawa kanisa na baruga ketheri muchemani jwa arimi jwa kuhewa bataraisa ntramina but I am a witness of Rigiji na Kalonzo Ibeti na Tebonkaki na icio message nyanko download aja uju munure TV etomba gukinyira nga gutumira cio because they communicated to me ndatega date kenda confirm it was on Antoni ndaringirwo thimu nyanjimu are au on 14th of February 2026 is when I received the message from Reverend Kome na ambira bishop na kwenda kumbariria and when bishop called me, Bishop Muthoia twatuma area abo, so they are my personal friends. The conversation we had ni itukubwarika kiri kiumia gietu kia tariki 8 kia bishop wetu mweru uria uri muchore wetu na immediately I called Mithika Linturi ndamwikira on conference call na Mithika Linturi aringira Rigathi amwirite kwenda mona and we went to see Rigathi na by good luck they had a meeting somewhere together with Akina Matiang twabethera bonde na twabe explainera Bishop called Bishop Muthoia and I wish him the best baria na barika kiathoni so batukinya tukibanga michemanio iji turabangite igwatene kenda tutita Nairobi tuchoka kwija kairi Sunday tariki 8 in fact kiri program yetu ya opposition after Kisii twabatarite kwija Meru tugachoka Nakuru but no tubon tariki 8 twachinja twambe tuthirania Nakuru na Nyahururu kenda tugwatithania na kiatho kia bishop kia tariki 8 tutikarege gwita nontu no twarikite na we didn't need the letter nontu kethira kwaria na thimu na bonde ba gwitikaniria do we need the letter stamp it kenda twiritu ijite so I think
it was necessary
according to them and ukeja kwithura kanisa ni rakinyiria reverend na kora kwara irorongo jo u andikite baruga eu then iguru na batu tukona nira visasa
akuthomere communication ya Reverend Linguli Director of Communications in the Methodist Church in Kenya, Reverend Ben Linguli, clarifies that they did not invite united opposition for the induction of David Muthoia Mwiti. Reverend Linguli says among the members of the opposition, only Karo Muriuki was invited and only as an individual. He added that MCK is non-partisan and calls for sobriety in politics. Only DP Kithure Kindiki was allowed to bring his message of goodwill in the service despite the fact that several politicians were in attendance. Une poster ya weru tu.
Whichever it is. Anto babari. Non tu thirikari iji igeta. Teo go mburi ya biuria ngachokere go kumburagia. Non tu thirikari iji igeta. Inya constitutionally iteturo na ndi mware baba omba kuthro tije constitution iteturo after inya gwatwika atengwa thaiji in 10 years time to come akauma. Ege constitution na ndio tombo mburi yako non tu tote na kwa gwita. So non tu igeta na thirikari ingi keja ringuria kabandikira message abere at the next time. That would be my question.
Mheshimiwa Jim, Mantea karikire ruare ya thoriti sana ba Steve na wakili and you can clearly see no kuona very clearly. So is this also politics, Jim?
Very pure, thank you, Martin.
Yeah.
Ehoro ndari mathikone antu kweta watu aramathwana. And antu actually what I'm doing na bran kwaria kubwithe na kwenda gwira Meru. Uni ankwaria ndi kwa lati antu bakwa. Na nya Meru iba ya lati. No twende arongo iba thaurirwe. Na iga kinya kipindi kira tukinya arongo bakathaurwa. No kumende arongo bathaurirwe kumenya uma. Arongo bari abo sikura jeri ngo bakaura. Na hivyo tuko right now in information. Urono mbakona mutandao ne kwandikio ukona opposite. Ukona kwandikio ukona ungenu na andikite yawe no ntwarongo ibathaurwe. Na nkwenda kwira Meru bothe arabari. Iba ya lati. No ntwarongo ibathaurwe. Iyo number 1. Number 2 kire mantu ya kanisa ruare no ntendete muno kwaria mantu ntekumenya lakini uni ngukarikaga. Nimbire somehow okay late kidogo. Na otino ndrona antu ba opposition. no te muntu ndethira ari no ntukinya uni barabo kana njire no mbu uni ba umenya lakini antu iba flow ba yukuma rampe yere de utonya tini ngango tonyete antu no kapa kuria ba flago ba utura ko ba utonya ko ba utura na ode muntu ndrona akingwa
bengiro actually
I was there
literally bengiro na ngari chio che communication chio
kinye kilipwera wa yukirie inye kilipwera ke yukwere ko ko baturite na baina askari I was there no kure nyinyo journalist uri kwa yukirie ndo journalist mwa yukirie na share ngokareo so what was happening menya ngarira gukara na ngari ya instrument ya ntobara so yokari mbere ya nini bora mengire seti yokari samo ya umbere na yena vyombo na whatever so after some time irongari chanjiri ukiliwa chonzire chokari ara so that's how ngari cho actually akuichonka chokari ndene ngari okari ndene ara ke nire okari ya mengi ngari ndp yake icho chokari on the back side but then ngari chia ya opposition you park on the front side na kwe kuria after some time service ikendelea ile ukara muno I think iro betro ngirangari uni kona ki kona dhaike nini I was there actually iro nyangu tonyete ngari wetete ate ngari yoturite so only from where I sit ndenda kuelewa muno Martin beira muno tobariwa kabariro bataita kanisene ndenda kumenya how beira bakinyaku beire ba kirombaria ngari cha ndroa kana beire batino kabeta amauru ba mimbi baskumome
kedro team yo ya mbere kuingwa ire bati kwedro itanguliete kedro bakwero iba umaruke
kwebungo ndo kwata Martin uni dhaira mbejire kanisa yokari mindiwi so ngari joche ire but the opposition leaders never came the advance team ire ekaro but they never came yes Ndiruga atiri the advance team ewe ukari na vyombo na whatever ni ukari na undene but bagachagwa bongwa batejire
so kwanda beja na ntu baba kinga
no but you see by the time kinyire Kindiki was seated right deputy president was seated na service ni kuendelea consecration service na everything else so ndiriwe yokari atiati so kaba kwenda kuyegithira kana when were they planning to come no by the time ngari chuzura the service was underway was at the minute yokari atiati
okay
so no kuria tere Martin kithiri bakuyite kaba kuya thia na bakuya toita kana ni erikia kana when were they to no to me what I think okay kuya kwithira bana ni bakuyite bakia mimbi bakambirania service teu no to review the president nyamena kuyite kana at least the service area kuthira ile no to ringa recho clear it was very late
very well wakili you know mheshimiwa Jimbo wako maanisha ni ati you guys side shows bwena sio ati otekinye kiomekebo wetete you just want kabo kwenda tu kuona ni ati dipo wetete kanisene bwengwa just for
bengirwe nyode antu batengirwe kanisa bukiromba murungu kwe mane kura GSU borisi bakuru sniper angabao kenda bakari antu baromba kwe na ombi ukarikau na kawaida kindegina ya miro na ya with regular security aba protect deputy president like endabo ingira barabika roadblocks already niko send message ya fear ke population but isitoshe na ibon tunkwenda twamberia na oma bombere katiba ya Kenya ni kuwatire article 32 tuwe freedom kana haki ya worship kana religion belief opinion na article 27 atwira atire utumba ku discriminate mtu nonto bakwenda kuromba kana kukona ne dini yake ku kanisa nonto Kenya secular state yani Kenya tinde ina kanisa fulani ka kadhirikari
dini
obati ukraro kire wa mwe ta mosquiti no wete we Martin ware
weta kanisa kiko ya so present maybe
actually arendanto bonde wini kia kwa kan bishop arendanto bonde beya oderi mwamba ote mwamba bunga kanisa kaida gena space kwa niranto bara the only reason ya kuiria mtu kuma kanisene na getha kibete guthukia kana kibete guthukia kintu kia kuna sheria lakini I don't see lakini I don't see a reason why uko antoba fulani ba reason why uko antoba fulani ba kanisene yakwa na bongo iba umini baka mungu gwero ntoka romorioki mtu kanisa kala
na Steve Mutomeria
na exactly musimo go pastor mtu nyawo anoke na moyo mukembu korone na bado akaingirwa atho kuma kanisene
kikido kari marombe leo what really happened
amba mbere no kethia mumiru muthikiria na mutegeri wa Weru TV bitwaga Kimbui na inkuromba gitikia MP Tigania West constituency na kiama kia UNDA ibo ya nonto bakiuria gyaku Martin ingukari service iwe ikiambiriria nkinyire NDP ya go settle na ingukari all throughout birambi kirwe speculation ati antoba opposition ibabati kuya kanisene lakini yukari rwaria tu na nkaria of course imbeterere mwanka kanisa etira na mwanka geni bato kare abo batura baita na uti mtu wa opposition ndirona kinyomwe na kuringana na mathwani yako Martin aranthiri thai no wara point ira ya njim ya ati arongo ibathauriri tuke yako kuthwani mantu ya planning arandi pia omba kwithira etite kanisene mantu yo atithira yarari tuegoro kana last week kana kinya kiumia kira kingi kiathirire imubango yuthira yo bangi boya na kinya na twalele ringi anto kuya kwiringanira kanisene opposition na rutererwa thirikari na tukiona njoto kana kimurikira kirio turialile tukona especially rutererwa uregani ndandika ikuthandika nau antu bakiara atia bura bakwenda kuua ebura wakili aua ati kanisa ni bati kuinvite antu bonthe nontu ikionokero boni untu bwama na bombere imbonokina nkenda Jesu na uruka mbere kwa remember turi ariria mantu ya kuinvolve the thara ndi kuraya na burankuthwania butitha bwe kuraya na uma kana wakili agenda yenu ni iriku utiyo ndiraiku atiri ndaua kwe mtu ntirona ina agenda yoyote nthi ki siasa ikuringwa muthikaira yukira rukiri soprano Dathita soprano ugoro soprano yani riuta riu iretumiria maingi muno
ruare maybe ruare kethro ire kinya kanya kakea sana ka reconciliation ka Professor Kindiki
na tuchokia ngo kwira atiri gichunge
ikethro ire platform mwembe sana ku reconcile
tuchokia ngo kwira atiri kiuthurano kia ruare kitu kari kia kawaida bora mtu akiuma njirene azin baraba kiumba kwenda peyite kuonoka bu wakili akuwa iba ukubali wabeta atia beya lakini ti opposition
Antwala deputy president are a second in command woni nteta kurombera because he is the second in command
ntera uwe ndawa atiri
we were just anybody
woni I am just anybody ndawa atiri antu baraba kwenda kuya kuonoka kikawaida na kanyanya Steve akiaria na uwire na ari mutumiria kari mutumiria Methodist na tutalira na arari now that is to say na backslide na ati kumenya mibango buria kwendelea thairi kutai now anko kwira atiri ndi kwira atiri ndula no bati weta kanisene we mtu wa kawaida but honestly speaking muntu wa opposition now tuyukie to point out muntu umwe Gachagua Rigathi mantu jararariti kumecho mberecho igoro na kinyaruari na yarethirite akiaria every time akia kuya kanisene arari imbibia kuya kwaria ruari
so what
you ne confrontation and to bara they were out
let me ask this
antu bara biba kubangite
so what narariti oro naramwitite soprano oro
antu bara biba kubangite
so what ruari
no gichunge dikira nkwire gichunge dikira nkwire antu bara biba kwendete igo create a scene whereby irumi bira bethirite bakibwithia nara bakwenda kubia advance kinya kanisene kwa hiyo kurako itawa hukumia muntu kalambi kala ritho
you get that wakili you know
hukumia muntu kala hukumia muntu kala metho
na kipindi giki utaga inyanda ika muntu mba kwaria forever age explain nothing
fair enough so Steve atire
yani ndaika isiaku wewe na hivyo ndo mboerere atire reto kare arakire
let's have some order situation yongwe tewetikiria withdraw burime chamanene why would you want to force yourself neibo kumenya bombere buru deputy manene why would you want to force yourself neibo kumenya bombere buru deputy president na yitemo chamanene you know you guys bore antagonists then still bukwenda weta kirombe nene kimwe it's not like mutindo yu kanisa ni mwake kaka.
No, actually, ikireke amna bana Martin. Anga kwa example inye imbea mno cha kwa nilia occasion onto ruare. No trinya manzo reconciliation. Occasion imbea mno ya weta tongorie bonde. Kenda kutuika kanisa kara ikakona nika kwa embrace akenya bonde. Poro Catholic Church na ite Kenya Poro Catholic Church na ite Kenya oetwa John Paul weda kiona sianto bonde a Kenya ikako embrace rutero weda kiona sianto bonde a Kenya ikako embrace rutero onderwa tinya political Kenya culture ethnicity by part of that church ni bondo nkuwatire yakoze nya Biblia ne Murungu nategira cia ngoma itakwaria Yesu nya kiro Yesu ari Rwanda agire ya yani ari fasting na Murungu ategira ngoma mira twita wari na mwana kwetha awakerio usazo munyoka ethia na ngoma yeta atima Yesu yani atukora nombi ntuko vote na ari na Yesu ntuko angabe baitia rongo ne manto mengi mna karika yani ni kanisa Methodist karieri yani murethi kana gashago mnya gashago binadamu nakashaka no kanisa na karanze bamunya kanya bamote kanya bo kanya no kare issue lakini kwa kanisa na arombe ano otothoku buryo ibo nkuona kwina re kintu kweto intolerance ni intolerance ira no era tuma Kenya thina ti opposition yani iri in charge security so let him Andrea sibo Kore veru rate kama tina control. Eyo ndo na vina ndo kama tina control la watu control. Ende
proceed wakili.
Yani tukajata katiba boya. Oteo dirikare batu ukumira kana kanisa ukumira kanisa anto freedom sio sia kuromba na ku express religion kana dini yo.
That's wakili speaking.
Yeah.
Okay. Berewe Jim, please betikiria to break in daika inkai. Murerwa to imanyara blessed arua don't be ignorant. Today was not reconciliation day in Methodist. It was Bishop's Day. Today DCP was supposed to be in Bore according to their plan. Honorable Caleb Kibuko, Mheshimiwa Caleb arua atre Martin, the opposition is clearly playing the sympathy card. They want to paint themselves as victims, and this has been evident from the very beginning when they staged the so-called riots in town. Today was no different. I was there and personally saw politicians handing out money to border riders right at the church gate. Do you really think that that was an offering? This is just a usual mchezo wa town. Mheshimiwa Jim, I will come back to you. Please betikete tu commercial break. Daika inkai. Niko wapi? Hapa. Okay. Katunuke kadiricho ketenyi makaita kate kuraya kile bobango yetu nke siasa. Please usijaribu kwenda.
Kiwanda cha Duralong Mabati, tuko na bidhaa mbalimbali kama vile Duralong Versatile, Duralong Roman Tile, Duralong California Tile, Duralong Texas Tile, Duralong Home Tile na Duralong Box Profile. Vyote vinapatikana kwa rangi tofauti na kwa bei nafuu kabisa. Pia tuna vifaa vya kuunda paa la nyumba, yani roofing, kama vile roll tops, ridges na misumari. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu kwa nambari 0710-120-590 au 0110-581-292. Fanya oda yako leo, ufurahie ofa kubwa na ya kipekee ukinunua bidhaa zetu. Mabati ya Duralong ni imara na hudumu hata katika hali mbaya ya hewa. Tuna huduma ya usafirishaji wa haraka na wa kuaminika kote nchini. Masharti na vigezo kutumika. Duralong Mabati, your ultimate roofing partner.
At DMBTI, we are dedicated to shaping the future of media education by equipping aspiring professionals with industry-relevant skills and knowledge. Our dynamic curriculum, hands-on training, and strong industry connections ensure that our graduates are prepared to excel in the rapidly evolving media and entertainment landscape. At DMBTI, we are committed to bridging the gap between theory and practice. Join us and experience first-hand training with media professionals who live and breathe the craft. To apply, call 0768 386 883 for more information. DMBTI is on the Meru Maua Road, 500 meters from Kemu main campus.
Get affordable monthly TV packages from Azam TV today. From kids shows, African and international movies, sports, local and international, breaking news, documentaries, telenovelas, and many more. Our monthly packages are 400 Kenyan shillings, 950 Kenyan shillings, or 1,500 Kenyan shillings only. Call us today on 0709 844 000. Azam TV, entertainment for everybody.
Magaraine ya Kirema kia Mount Kenya. Raha Premium Kavagara na Raha Premium Ngano ndio kibuku yao. Emelok na nana neleleke yara tanale. Nikanoru kandi kijira niveni zinguru. Anera takage kana na nkero kerenja sietu. Na ukatikana kila vanti ya Kenya. Igun agenge en member Kavagara Club.
Na tuchokera ringi ngire mubango echunkia siasa utuko barua re mutegeri wa Wero TV na muthikiri wa Wero FM. Karibu sana oringi tuchokera tukiareria tukenda kumenya nowe kweri ukombuka na kura icia Meru yena kura ciokete kinya milioni makuringana na expectations cia IBC kukia kwithirwa projection cia IBC rona ni ate Meru bakithiria registration ibenyo ya atubayero wabo cindikithire kuringa kura baketho bena kura 990. That's a big number ya ringi kura. So of course no makwithiro kwina nkindano na nkinyangano ya kwere kumenya no woko ombuka na kura iji. So yani o mantu kwere kwithiro tukimenyeru ari but mbere ya tukinyau na twariria ndiunga iji ni karikarire kanisa ile tukwenda kuthirana nayo mbere tumenye ni nao mabure na Newton Mutethi alimira Gachagua was just joking, then kidogo naona watu wakilia makutano na akikuwa serious. Louis Buditoni yesterday I watched the coverage when opposition leaders were around, and one thing troubled me deeply. I saw brothers fighting each other simply because they wore different political caps. Some who earned DCP caps were even beaten. That is not the Kenya we should be building. Of course, politics should never make us enemies. We may support different leaders or parties, but we remain one people, one community, and one nation. Tolerance and respect for each other views are the true signs of a mature democracy. As we move towards 10th August 2027, my humble wish is that every Kenyan will choose peace, listen to one another, and let their voices be heard through peaceful and lawful moment. Let us compete with ideas, not fists. Peace and unity must always come first. I agree. Ingwetikaniria buru na Louis Buditoni. Mweshikwe bwoko ndo twira.
Ndiaria muno. Ndaigwa mantu taikwarenge akiuga na te askari bagwita na reru ari. Na only have been actively, maybe for the last 3 years. Maybe the functions cha national government in whatever, whether kanisa ene kana wherever. No, they not jamani ya wakili. Actually, wakili mwona Kimbil Mbudire ya ilu aenda mwona physically for sure. And for him, actually, ingwere nyera mbijire. Yeah, so, Martin, na ke those political ni bedrete I think 99% represent yete kandi deputy president yete ende kandi yara kiwa na kuria na tapoliti ba weta non turato na dignitaries every time kinyoga the kanisa na wo miko thara ko na politi, and it is normal and it happens always. Utiro ndona buru ko na president yaita kana deputy president yaita nyekithira ni kanisa ene na rome kwithira kutina politi ya naraba ukarirwa no to security issues no to temenya kuende maybe an insecurity temenya oga no to kanisa ene. Number 2, kirisho kwarirwa Martin kan koromba nya tura kana issue ya Methodist no to Methodist kanisa to respect it mono na to me respect it no kumeito ndo discuss remo kinya manzo kumenya na kinya kwena statement nyere riti kanisa nangwikwa ntako megethe antu baba DCP kaba kwenda kuwa bishops ni arongo no tungwikwa kinya my brother wenye muntu ena kola na mbina na korongo as you nini, and I don't think also that's a route we should go about the church non to itopatiri ku respect the church na toka respect Methodist wala yokari non to uni kiri kanisera ntegwetikia kwina muntu wingirwe no getha kwi muntu wingirwe mimbi tukiona kamera muntu asukumi aituragwa uninke jarira mbejire intigire karo outside aingarine na ngarina karo kari kaweterete mimbi bua bangi be ya kana whatever na no kumenya bangi bua yo etera bua ba change mind ba mweta kanisa ne rabetere nwete thiangare kiaita no ndonte kwitikia na tekaro muri ugiamenya we scott ari to nini, and then utinye muntu na thimu video kana whatever na betana cameras that's hypocrisy.
Actually claim yo that the advanced team yo nyo yingiro enda PO na niyo watu that's when
but you see Martin ndakwira nini araka I think it's good we understand the setting. Uma barabara ene umete Kimiri ndio emeru maua uikinya kanisa nako kare na 2 gates. Gate mbere ni ukunya ugatana left just first gate. So au kufike first gate utenga ari choko lokao. Na nyanga ari ko ni empekire. And then etonge epakwa njire kaga boys. So beyond there na no bugwe tharo kari otura ko ndikire. So there was a second gate ile ukare na compound ya kaga girls ile ina the tent and whatever. So in that tent ngari utonyo ngari cha mawaziri na ngari ya deputy president ngari nyechi MPs idogela beyond that point. So what happened ngari yo kari na instrument irampo na retorite torerwe manga other vehicles kwina ngari kwite mapema chapa kwa ndene na every time rira kwina adignitari yete kithire nikeni kiugithi ngari cha VIP kichotura inge kai clear so after nini ire halfway no tukarucho park now munira halfway iro ngari iturirwe so I think okay akuya kwithira ka maybe opposition leaders bejire beria gutonya kanisene bero no you cannot go beyond this point kabo tomba hukuma then we can even accuse the church lakini for sure ku discuss this thing na tokemenya umabongoni urongo to discuss is a problem. Another thing kanisa kuni nyingi muno Martin and I'm very happy kinyaba te yere beta kanisa nera betere buri kinya yo ndware yo naeni me kanisa rete ku ya yo naeni anto turinganira kanisa ne mutu inde kanisa nyingi bage choose nyawe tabaite ruare at least baite gona change or somewhere else so ntikona when anything yano to para teire da kabengiro kana bategiro ibetere kanisene para bokare kaga ibari kanisene so ndo mimi ndo bakurira about the church na buruma dini unia nguatri and to kumi kanisa into issues na maybe tebudeti kana whatever it is good we refrain from that thing.
Much I get you clearly na tika kwende tu kwa kanisa in bad light but you see everybody is open to criticism kinya woni ni ngwa mbera wa mitadaone na hauna kinya ngwa you know you nwera wana kinya kanisa yo ngone bati kwera so if okay akwethro ntoboka maibo karikire na ni allegations tia tongeria bati ibari ro kuma kanisene advanced team tio chengwa
kanisene but they should show us evidence then we start discussing
you know au ni onko da boya Steve atiri kama did you guys ibwetere kanisene boy kuma
Martin
yeah
okethoro tiji murungu bwaga no tije na murungu bwaga omba kuthoro tiji nya murungu no ruritho mano and due course nteto ira twara yari mutu rantu bachiacha twetheretie we are more powerful than even the power that God gives they have consequences in one way or the other chiomba kotha tina arua tiruju but in the muntu atekaroma atijarite I'm just reminding them so that nya muntu akiaria age accuse antu na akigeria ku prove urongo na ujanja bubwingi amenya kwina murungu uria mwisho jo mantu no the last judge
so tell us
so the point here is ntikwenda gutinda nki discuss mantu jo kairi gichunge tuitire bubwao batwe tutire kanisene tutire ngwa tutira rigerwa let me finish nje ubona ariri tutirengwa tutiraria arento don't support you was support point yaku tutiraria let go for their point but I want to remind them that there is God in heaven who sees the truth that no man can see and one day one time mberende to miuma muntu agakanywira
Martin, just one last word.
Yeah.
Bombere inkwenda to sida twina agenda mbeki mantu yatwaria turaria mantu ya incident yaruare tuteko discuss tatwaria man kanisa Methodist tatwaria mantu yatumiria Methodist kana bishop wa Methodist no turere ku analyze ruare na tokarike ruare kumba gathira ruare kanisa ndo to ni after my family Methodist afu ingi Catholic na Methodist kanisa mbeta regularly in actually MCK kaga tera kanisa ya MCK kaga inda batu za ku 3 weeks ago unfortunately something happened at my waiter ko kanisa nyanga eta ku yani tire mwe ya maingi ngeta na ibo yakwa incident kenda muthikiria amenya no tukwe na report yani mutandao na ibo ntunyo bo tore kire kino ntukwe na information mwanya kenda muthikiria elewa na takwa rikeru ari ko the truth is woni nyange ukira rukire ngwisi ndeta kanisa na ko MCK Methodist kaga
but you see wakili lately buko wataniwa na kuria sympathy no ya kabo kwenda antu ba bibirwa kyao including Njuma ndabo yete Meru and they say ni guns tienu quote in quote tia itre mitena wekira maija barabara ene na kuwete matairi njirene kenda antu ba bibirwa kyao atibu kuthangi kwithirika
na tunazungi wiki nonto yani bombere anto tikabami onto mantu ya karikire Friday babu bakava weweru TV na other media stations bukone muthikiria mbise borisi baromi ara akwina kathita na anto baita miti na borisi bakari baromi tu na nyibo ngwera kwera mucho yatire woni nyani imbatendete events nyapsha president na deputy president na inkwelewa at least regular protocol president ireko, regular protocol deputy president ireko. Security protocol yani yethere present. Lakini no ite excessive no to ku deploy malori kithomba yani roadblocks who are no excessive. No to yani kinya the number of roadblocks ke babare kawaida ino tukindikina yana regularly. You said it was here 3 days ago, 4 days ago. It was just excessive. But anyway, kenda tukaita wariro. Wendi alare. Kenda beamero
ngoda kuromba minute ya Mustafa.
Okay, nango kwa minute endelea ni.
Ngoda kuromba minute ya Mustafa. Kenda nchokeria somebody like Caleb uri okuga isi mfathi tuguchwa. I'll give you an example. Ya mtuko metere kawa polisi chirungiago. Batu ntuto position to ichwirwa nyameya chago kinya nyamuntu by mistake. Polisi ite kurekera. Ietere ngite muti irege kungwata enchuja renya meje kinya muntu kenda bona antu bariti na gwa karebu yakonda kujuka antu no bargichani, but it is okay. I have no problem with it, no to chiacha icha midembe mingi mtu aruria aringa chiacha chiani as much as is infathe guchua kindly ketha no mburi tu na ipindi bi wakuga ni bia town. Some of us to turejera town igoro tutijipi bia town tukabime as they continue training us, but at the same time nyumwere tukugera ndari ikinyiria ya gukua ikagera ndari tenda kumyanura akui
itumikia mantu yayo the yana bonya Kalebo wo ni atre why always you yeah
who else would expect you
bweta nyiri ibukuoro kanisene boya mero ibukuengo kanisene ibukuero buku mamero why only you guys
alafu ita mutu ta ita bypass utiraita ugumirao kwa kweta wate au
tumba kuona murango nyuma
umarivaro.
You know Jim, that was the idea era Jim bari niyo iba ingenjireji kenda twira na bona bia guposti bona content yeri bini igwa birara merunya kwirira bireje ya bwanyuma. That was the content era Jim bachuja, so but it did not work.
No enkaringa watiangasi wenka
are Gachagua get the biggest threat. Is the biggest threat. Is the biggest threat. Are is the biggest threat.
I think Martin, I think he is even a bigger threat. Ungana Kalonzo, kida either threat. Mother threat yenka. Ungana Kalonzo, ungana Matiang'i, ungana Baranga. I think you get with a high threat. Then he's a bigger threat that you. Lakini don't think what yangas. Yenka.
You know the Jim oga kura gitia chokerewa au politics.
Euro I've been Friday actually. Because Kalebo Akureto Tubona, it was part of our discussion that opposition derabe yete meru niba iretu na kinyama awo ikuraka dikirebwe oro and I think somewhere else who are able na ubantrimiti kukari na bisanga on view and being the opposition and dirikare maybe out of desperation no itumire tactics on tuyeyi kwere kudhulumu the opposition.
Wakiuria kiu Mustafa mbere na kwe unto awire mpendo chokia kiu gyaku au aruare kwa mbeka yuka entu kwe reconciliation antu betite kanisene o kana kethera ni owe yeah, so kukethera kuri antu bakwenda ku reconcile the doors are open. Iba with the appointment irunduni bete batukwane no ba reconcile but ndete umboka rete na opposition
buri baile beta kanisene no irunduni baba
kanisene ote mtu ariererwe honestly kakotege tabairinganira kuo kankuwa kethera iko kare na bata sana ko reconciliation no ba book appointment no to na bangi bayeta now korierwa
it would have been Baki otirimana kukinya by coincidence maybe a good chance
twaria nao Martin kankwenda chokia kiuria gyaku kya kurierua buku opposition ibethirite tukiona iba kurierua kutonya aburanka kankawa na mbere muthikiria na mutegeri wa Weru TV antu baba opposition tuko deal nabo kaba tukwariria tika kwende bare antu very clean batumba kubanga mantu ere kurari na demonstrations cia Gen Z ituonere mantu yata karika miru nyumba ira ya fertilizers na bia korea na ara kweka wa ni thirikari ikituika vandalized maua na into beyond bikaiwa ituonere supermarkets igitatea ikithu mutindo yu na twathiata mantwira atakarikite ti thirikari ebuthitie no antu baba bathuri bo betete atia ibo babwithitie mantu ya ibo babwithitie mantu ya yau. What am I trying to say? Kireni omuntu na ndaika chiawe ibo tuwire now korierua mantu ya korierua tonya Meru ya mitira iratema wa Martin.
I want to get the connection. We are demonstrations Gen Z. How is
demonstrations ire o wanke yo kuria ri no wetete aka vandalize NCPB na aramawa
ni andamani
ni andamani kana guns no era there was a hand ya antu baraba dori thirikari na antu barabenda mantu ja blow out of proportion ibo baritete ngwe ya iriku ya ira now mantu ya kwa thirikari antu ibakurierwa kwa ya Meru Martin
no okay step by step twende pole pole
na itu ari ngina to discuss mantu
ya are you saying ni opposition ni boba vandalize NCPB na
that time kotari na formation yetu ni otha ya opposition but still onara bare ni kwari na sauti tabu ya ino nto antu bataniri babebelete ngwine yonto ya wa Munyoro mukuru wa kurumana na inya bangi babari baekwebelambi baekwebelangwine na no kwari na mantu yo yabwitha kwa na ogeke uria kiaku
you realize Meru agikwari na mantu nteyo
imbati na utore aririe mantu ya Meru na kurierwo ukuma Meru kana to kwaririe mantu ya nthi yonde
you see so I want us to clear that one so because it is related ati itarure Gen Z maandamano ya Gen Z ni kwari na guni simtuonere maua mutindo yo and somewhere else outside Meru including Nairobi na aranto bayero into so mantu ya yo
so now utore aririe mantu ya Meru no ntubatu what we are addressing mantu yambi mantu ya Meru na iyo nkwenda go connect nkwira atire ndakwira antu batu ku deal nabo kana batu kwariria ti antu bare incapable kubuithia anything so no kuona sympathy ra tukuane antu baumba kwithira bakiurakia antu no bare na in fact nkawa ibo barite kuita mite na kuinga barabara no nto bakuria sympathy no nto ituwire antu utea agenda bakwendia menya Martin it is painful antu bakeya bakethia msafara kuuma keria betete othe we mwanka mawa na steps ira chionde kana stop over iraba bwithetie uti muntu kinyo mwenda athikira mbiku atire batuto yokia thirikari tukabwithio nona kwe muntu ni rumi ati fulani yaende pronunciations yayu ukaurie ndiri shwale antu bari no bo bayerigirite kuyokia thirikari bamiyukia then batu na bo bange ba thirikari bakoya projects zo kona baki launch like 2 days ago itware na DP Tigania West ne ire yete kwa ile murandi jwa Ruri modern market ito gwakirwa Tigania West na ne ire barabara ingi ito turakuandamanira au kwina barabara itite kubwithwa ne yite ocheki kintu yakiriku yakiu at least ugakiaria na kuwa kwebia tete ate kwebia retete now by prospects ni antu bako wirigira be yako yukia thirikari kenda bwithira bwe competitive enough kanyanya reka kuthura kenda antu bethira by competitive kenda antu bethira by competitive enough na bethira kinya bari attractive kiri uraba kwenderia biba kwenderia uwe nini atiri yes thirikari te kubwithiona tukabwithiona ni o mapuru matini na bio nyabi bio nthuria rimwe ngaikwa vibaya uwe nini ri Kasongo ate kubwithiona bahati tuweta ate tukabwithia lakini birato kuiwa Kasongo aende anga waende mbono kwaende na manyama rieto yeraba wetana te marieto nya ene heshima Martin so now antubara utemuntu rabarierite kwa ya Meru injira chiotu babwitha kenda baichingira ba draw attention you na bangin political mileage ne unio mantu tutikwenda let them up their game
very well wakili in simple Steve wakili in simple bura kikia kuana atri you guys boye na agenda boye anto atri this is the alternative ya manto ya yonthe yo karika thai nonto ari watire baba angibo thirikari bari ya ko launch maendeleo. I would have asked whether we madandire ko opposition but ko launch, but I will let that slide.
Baba ati kuruma nende
Cambodia
Martin, ngoe thirikari ni maendeleo. As simple as that. Ko meno mona we musiari we na mwana sukuru. Na watu ga mwarimu aturutana boya. Mwarimu atumba koroma watire we musiari uturitana sukuru nonto uteya sukuru uritana. Ati ngoe we musiari uritana. Me tu kore oti. Lakini kore oti nkore oti. Ngoe ya president, deputy president, the entire executive ni development projects. Kana kumenyera ndiri ya boya. Ko yani nangoe opposition actually ni ukosoa. Manteo kama dhoku.
Unabokosoa then kukethwa kwina 1 minute Kiki.
Okay, just let me finish.
And then bokosoa what is your alternative?
Exactly. Ndio ndo kwenda mbere twambiria gakia kuatire ngwe tu opposition ikuwa aende sijui asiende. Ni koria bo bakiaria. Ni wewe Goliathi na ungu bange bakuwa wewe soprano na ata akuwa soprano ya dhoki lakini Goliathi kana fire si fire yani fire yani maendeleo lakini yani yeye soprano ya uvoka ndio yani regret kuona itinare arono twende bonze bare area language ya siasa meko language ya siasa ale kandire kwa language ya siasa na the opposition you are utongoribu dhoku we point it out itukuwa atire kwena let's say at a human rights level kwena manto extrajudicial killings ya kuendelea just a minute ito articulate issues tuko human rights abuses ni kuendelea Kenya na tuko freedom of manto kwa freedom of religion it's a constitutional issue nikato kwa manto ya sinja katiba dhiatwe tuko manto corruption to raise manto ya Dani Dili ka cancelled those are issues ni agenda is let's have an accountable government. Your agenda number 1, let's implement the constitution. Your agenda any most important. Na whether no dhiki side the opposition sio ndio ni leader mwananchi whether ni united opposition. To be very clear. Tuenda government is accountable in integrity. The government okay anga nimepeana 20 million hapa BSC ndio ndio myanyazi na ikuma anga nyote World Bank kaidwa kitu ya siasa watu kantu betumira bilioni moko kwa na bia sia mokopo washidisi yaku kinya these projects sia madhoko na kadhalika. Actually, Meru, nonkwere Martin, we are number 5 in terms of Utonga Kenya, and number 5 in terms of Korea Owoti. Lakini to kolele project kile ko launch wa Meru, Homa Bay, which is number 23 in terms of Utonga na Korea Owoti. Na more projects kuma ki national government. Then da bagaki na bamuchui. Batwira kidhamiru ni kuona value ya maendeleo kuringa no rebo tu Owoti no Utonga bwetu.
Itumikia mantu yo then on tubakwithro atire. Kwena nto characters ya owe wakili na Steve wa and your ilk babubwe ngwenu ni kuwake one term. That is the reason.
Are we tunakuwa be tayele Martin articulate very well. Na kinyabe desi alone kinyake roto are na governor Mutuma ke function Meru. Na ndera governor with some of the MPs are present. Dabera nitakwenda kwena maendeleo ya Meru. Lakini maendeleo tukoona Meru tishe tuira tubati kwida tukidemand as Meru leaders na dera Mutuma wente kuongana ntatu ba muonga mno na it's okay no ritangwe lakini you can do way much more together with the elected members nya MPs no nto kutumba kutuka Meru ke kinya utoro wa maisha yani ito sindi Trans Nzoia ito sindi ni Tharaka-Nithi and Tharaka-Nithi area mega 63.5 that's the latest report average life expectancy Meru is 62 ke yani county ira mbea burukuri ya Kenya Meru number 13 na tena number 5 Utonga na based on access to amenities healthcare facilities education Kenya education kutoka Meru na almost let's say 762 public schools esindi ni Homa Bay ungo kwera yani number 23 Utonga ko yani kuna shirito batu usika tola tongore ba Meru kenda to krado ko ngirima na milioni manana Twaringa mpe na tukidisave more nonto anyway
they will tell you about hospitality number 5 Mheshimiwa Jim you see argument ya wakili yani atire is not their business kuwango irapo kutababu ya thirikari is not their role bwenanto baba atigudo bakiwa manto ya for example kindikia akili ake ya Meru maita ya 3 kiume kimwe it is business kwithira akiwa we've done this and this and this na bongo yo ni okosoa either aende or anything else.
Uniko mno ni approachira wakili au teke and I'm happy twina wakili ya.
Thank you.
Nonto uni ndenda mno to argue na statistics. Pro iko akiwa Meru namba fulani we have 700 something nini in terms of statistics. Uni I would want us to etar njireu. Nonto njireu ni ete allow room ya propaganda. So while I'm there kiwe room no we go nonto unte karao mambi. The same line ni we statistics wa ambiriria wakili nonto no toira kenda tutika hukumeria manto ya yase na propaganda na whatever no tika ya murongo mo baraba thauri nkenda muno uro to statistics which education na life expectancy those years 63 years what I love that.
Yeah.
Kenda muno pia withdraw na statistics eri yo mambi nionete this number of kilometers ya barabara Meru nionete emwe kana nionete 0 in terms of kithia level 5 wana ambiriria wakwa the building ira wakwa wana ambiriria and it is continuing right ikoro bila tu like itho kwa Kenya 350 million it is ongoing indara mambi devolution conference ntonere mimbi I end darire mambi town a week na we even todlunga kithia market na whatever na whatever ntonere market ya kwa ire wakwa Kinjai ntonere mimbi title the level new hospital ire to go the level 60 ntonere whether there is something like that so nkiwiro munoro wa twiratri watu mambi ni go benefit from this kilometer of roads Meru ni achiti so that now kenda Martin to atwa ko debate to debate na facts na to debate na ni we taonge to together ndi propaganda to taira to Meru to ria auto kiwa justice logans number 2 nteko menyana atia
betekiria kwira atire Jim Kisumu County bena hospitali itawa Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital.
Yes.
Na Meru itena Meru level 6 referral care walker.
Yes, but
so in simple bora wakili yaku ana atire we are not getting share
but Jaramogi Oginga nini hospital keka kwende yake ni Ruto munene.
Yep.
Yeah, no. No, it was a partnership. Yeah, partnership.
Yeah, level 5 ne level 6.
Yes, lakini the buildings ila cha kikuo ya partnership between the county government na national government.
Okay.
Just the same way. Just a minute.
Let me understand this Mheshimiwa Jim. Atire nonto Homa Bay kutena barabara kilomita tia nona then Meru should also not get.
No, that's not what I'm saying. Bora kwa lekuwa ni atire. I was just referring to example ya Homa Bay is getting more than Meru. So nyokuga atire we would have a better debate. Toke ya kuira na atire Homa Bay has got this number of kilometers this na Meru maybe itonete bi ni argument actually I was basing on his argument. Number 2 wakili ya warimanto ya life expectancy. Dharakani this 63.5 or point whatever Meru is 62 life expectancy. Na the manto you within yara penere this year kana yara penere to hukuma the issues which are life expectancy how do we associate it with the Ruto administration?
Tubudhurane. Tubudhurane.
Correct madina.
Just a minute. Let me finish. Kandeke nani. No domenya issues cha life expectancy, china issues nyingi cha life na whatever. So of course pia tokemea factors ili contribute ke life expectancy. Kendende tumenya
batakuwa amenitizimwe we are not tutio kijila amenitizimwe ile chombo tuma life yetu expectancy ite
like the cancer
so
issue what was the government
so Ruto make dharakani better than me right
that's not the argument it's your argument
so geregia let me just finish my thing geregia kuna mantopo warake na Bensuda manto ya slogans na whatever na wakile watire au you see kinyato kaya kwethira twina issues cha soprano na whatever how to na manto Goliath na whatever you see I was ingo kare arama kutano today regedeke ya kwaraki no kaya kuthikira video regedeke ya kwaraki akuga atiri akuga ito kwaka level 6 hospital au ito waka 17 markets na jitala au be ita kulaunchi Tharaka Nithi actually kinyoga I think the contract is some I think ibanjiri te kumbelezi maraita ya leona oreba u nini the Nithi bridge right na wake yo commission. No, just a minute. Let me just finish. You see, we give it to him. Our very soon again, o commission that ni on 20 mea take we have time. Ya go prove. We have time to prove what he was saying, right?
Yeah.
Aya, now areke kuwa akwa manto yo ndogware. Ifire si fire. To amuna manto yo thimbi. Vamos a mandar de fire. Acho que hago atri, wewe Goliath wewe. Okorwa na unita with them ndio niko na tata. Wewe niko na kubuithia. Ene kauli atri. I think also I have explained that. And those are all the political slogans and all that. But you see, what does Soprano Egenteke has to do with mwananchi wa Meru? Uratutegete thaya renja kwa we. Erwa na Soprano ri. How does that na dewe correlate na service irabati wayana barabara irabati waka kana thoko irabati waka kana bira tibuthitie ri. How does it relate? Kale kama makafupi kaile mia oro mere kaile mia letro kale kama makafupi eki okuya ko kaile mia na de ko correlate na ngwera kaile mia bati ko tambe atrite ibondo bigwa kia kiwatri. What we are having by the alternative government. They want to go to the alternative government and have an opposition when elect our shadow cabinet.
That was in the last constitution.
But you see, shadow cabinet, there is always something like a shadow cabinet. You see, uninkiromba kura chiadwana mimi nkera kwa city mtu. And how I won. I was able to demonstrate to people bora ite kubudo and I go ahead. Because you must have an idea of an alternative of what you want to do. Lakini ende yule mama mfupi yule Soprano unanyoa mokomio kwa ni kuria Soprano ri na vile batiri kubuithio ni how does that I would really want to hear from you munene Soprano ikindikiri how is it affecting service delivery?
Fair enough. Kanyanya, how is it affecting?
Dula.
Soprano ya kindikika no kuya kwa
kaile mia
ina affect yate ya
kana korea
kana babu kuthro
kana mpesi acha kuna te utethi. I think also that
Dula pardon choke life expectation expectations chetu chonde iyo ni kwaria ndacha kuja ginya ana tanto baba kwenda nyoto bangira manifesto yetu batebange na baina gojaje kuita life expectations ya Akenya arieri iruto mikite na kanywa kawe awarungama imbu ikite Singapore na thayu nerie ne bari Nairobi abo kwira ku indibetete na Singapore Meru ituraero bypass na Muromo na bilioni 3 na bypass by the am yetu no ina itirite no already tu na bypass southern tu ina kaga ntekumya niriku iwe bilioni 3 na magana ina yego ikirwa am yetu si ende already ni ejani bure gwakwa ndina ndamu 3 cia Muromo chikweja no kuma ntuko koromba kura no igita akweja no achiara iria lakini ntone nya kiragita barabarene gya kwenja ndamu.
Wari muchore munene muno waruto.
In fact, I was one of the founders by UDA.
Yeah, so now
let me answer.
Inaba waba okandamu.
Chionde nga kutarira chionde nya chiongo chiristi na in the public domain. When we were forming UDA na kenda Ruto to mo accept ejire twakaran thiguru anto baita maoni cha uria baringienda Meru ethithirwa iria yetagwa economic chata twakarire nthiguru anto baburi twatarwa anto atongeria kuma assistant chief mwankaza bueria mwanka nya akuyebeje byantura muntu akeja na point cia ore aringienda buri igitathe ethithwa kwa bambe Nsunda the same kwa banjimu the same Meru yonde twthurana twandika bare wacha bari nthiguru anjimu no mwobo twaja twarikia kwandika twamikia ara kemu twinthe bara bameandikite na thikiri na batiji nyimbi to the launch twinthe tureta turamya launch iu ne create life expectations chetu cha Meru imbito we expect kire thirikari ici na ĩrĩa twarĩ nĩ egitara Uhuru expectation teo twina egitara Ruto no twigitara Ruto they were more na itwingwa twachia andikire na itwaije within 100 days charaja kathithwa eka bibilia nthiguru charaja kagitwa thaiji miaka 3 ikuthira bibilia iki nthiguru gutikira gitika no launch ikwendelea no mirandi gutegerwa but let me tell you politically what these people are doing they want to start launching project thaiji kenda ikarachi yangite cieterete ntuko campaign peja wakibwira gatiri ibunderambiririe mpeni miaka 5 ngitathe ndirikirie that is where they are going na baraga kuthi yo undura ombete ya ombere ndi murongo utigi ntu bambiritie kie kathira mbere ya tulinga kura na kie athira ombete ya ombete u murongo because these are people ndakwira no wombira itwari no me I know him Ruto nura boga karano nthiguru abwinde aboethie deputy president bogari nthiguru abu ako iho wende na ugo no tungi ukari kiraki akajukia ungi ugo tungi iwe nkake inya no tokona boburu betanga tanga nare boburu agarire twenderwa ugo wende ndondetere Gladys Wanga no tukwethia na kaita kindikiaja utungi I professor utungi ntekwenda muntu utenetwa professor so abangite antu nkurukie 17 para akaethia deputy president na akaba bango mwanka ntukwemuthia. So it is the same thing ira gutubanga miru aja ucu na baba tonya box yo bojuri kundo netera kure igakinya Ruto agacoka akibera akwendini bwaringirete kura ninka omuntu na ari na kure we na ndewewe njim etetera okona baba kacokereja tatu iroga mumenya no tura mumenya agagwikiora gwaku ala unchi project na uge njimu was not part and parcel of this. So the point here is the expectation to create expectations to munenkara no atonya chikojura chia itia kuma 1% maybe to 110% betinda guturia nithire Uhuru na ariku anga Kenyatta na ariku kakwero Kenyatta jeta atwira na wakanithi urigwo Uhuru akiwa na wakanithi no Ruto ona kindiki batinda batunirite nithi agererea ma MCAs bonte papa Paris State House berirwe iragita contractor engineer ndire jerero egoro ningwa kuona contractor ndamuchwa inyabiki wiki utondera yandikirie to nithi njirene eriko. So what they are trying to tell us is something that cannot even make sense na begeria ko defend something that everybody is seeing and is knowing. Ruto atwire wajinga walisha Kenya ntekumenya karachi arire bange kwa president.
Very well. Itara bere kwa nere batu kulukira Facebook fan page yetu.
I have no business to be proud of this. You want to go
FM. Kana arane batu kire YouTube channel yetu ni Wero TV. And of course kire SMS line yetu ni 23578. Turi ya moko mweku mwako Wero TV na Wero FM 96.4. Twenda kuiba maoni yaku na wewe muthikiria uri watia. Arani na batu tukwenda kukiathimu inkai but Steve kuibo tiratwira. Ukuya kwa ile mena soprano ikindike how does it affect oritingo ibo thirikari
lakini kwanza manto yawa
simple ni ndari ya manto ya to make sense ki ni ndari ya manto ya project icho chunda na soprano ekaire mia na soprano ikindike ije ulijao no baba ije na abaiteni
kile mechema ni eje
let me tell you
kile mechema ni ebo ni Steve or before kuyo wa Roma wa soprano
soprano menyi yetwa mbuga ini nyomwera
kuyo wa Roma urifa kiendikia soprano
terikana no have no business with him I did not vote kindikizo even don't discuss him.
I think we are fair not to get any wa muyele kulukia au katwetekaniria atire na kwetegeria patina agenda no ndo watu
agenda to agenda ogorien kanisa agenda
agwetegeria patina agenda no ndo mewa soprano
ombo ya what
ata uzao ni munene wo
ndula ni tell you okay that man to agenda kuritwe ndikwaririe mata kuira ndigera gym tia ko tumo for the sake urenda to karato busy tena agenda soprano na nyawe ngwata ko kwaria mbesi bwaga
isa wa ito wale batri how does it affect the delivery
let me tell you Jim do kuira kuira aja tegi
na kuona kwari okira uone kwari mbesi
ini mono
awaz it helped antoba bore
que utete ya kuwe kuwe
no tuno kwenda kwa MP
ando na discuss peta things to ina matters discuss peta things
MP mbesi ekire
ukamiona
na they ate antoba
ukamiona mbesi
okay katu kwenda hata
mteto tu
ba mcheba ya balia wakiwa nyenyenye hadi bawa anga tutasema nyenyenye
no baraba kuga totena agenda ndula baraba kuga totena agenda we came up with the slogan ya one term bea tukufuata pambili kwa 2 term na 3 term anga 4 term anga 6 term.
So is 1 term an agenda?
No, it is not. I'm just trying to tell you these are
Is it an
complicated
agenda?
people. They even don't know what they are doing. They have to copy what you are saying. So you wait for us to give you our agendas. Ndio babu wa those mambo to agenda. Murenda tu munenganya na bo copy, bochoka bo to vingata michema ni na bo to vingata. You relax. Na to tebo yatango kia ku to advise ba tu ya advisors. Babu advisor ni thirikari yenu etire na
Okay, Mheshimiwa Peter Kalembe, are you at it?
Yes.
I like how Steve has avoided soprano and bass or fire fire.
ibanga ngana ya jao.
Mutwiri Charles MP Bori Bochita, as a proud member of the Methodist Church in Kenya and an aspirant of a member of parliament for Bori constituency, I believe the church must always be respected. The church is a sacred institution that provides spiritual guidance, moral direction and hope to our people. Our spiritual leaders dedicate their lives to serving God and guiding society towards righteousness, unity and peace. Regardless of our political positions or differences, we must uphold the dignity of the church and respect our spiritual leaders. Faith institutions play a critical role in shaping the values of our communities, and strengthening the moral foundation of our nation. Let us protect and honor the church and always treat our spiritual leaders with the respect they deserve. Dhuranira Motiarua Mato, from what I witnessed in Maua yesterday, I'm convinced that the violence witnessed during opposition's visit were purely planned by the government. In Maua, innocent people were attacked by goons who for wearing a DCP cap. Political tolerance is all we need in Meru County and Kenya at large. If you don't support 2-term, don't attend their rallies. Stay home and wait for 1-term rally. Paul Mutuani, I think as Marians, we elected leaders who decided to completely think away from their own people, especially these sitting MCAs are defending their plates with vigilance. Mutweri Charles, Mutweri, thank you. Karethi Miretia Rua Kabunde Airstrip Expansion Project, upgrade and expansion of Kabunde Airstrip Implementation Agency, National Government, no, not Okomanisha, but thank you. Mutiga Dominic Kibaya, Arua, hello Martin, say hi to these leaders. There is an issue. These leaders are repeating of opposition leaders that they have nothing to offer. I will approach this issue with simplest terms possible. What Kiki is Kiki doing in Tiania West that he is vying the same seat that Mutunga has done, and she is accompanying him while launching projects that he has lobbied for. Finally, even we voters, our mission is one: Ruto out. You want opposition to do what? Lastly, yesterday I was at Maua after meeting opposition leaders. A lot of people waliumizwa sana by a team led by Meru, Governor Brothers. So bado ni opposition leaders who planned for sympathy. I think one quality of supporting this government is giving out your brain. Usikue, okay. Yeah. Now, by the way, a very unfamiliar reunion, or is it a union? You don't know kireoro. Keda to kimia riri kinyo kiribo banko yo. Ataka tu kitimu bere. Hello, Ero. Hello. Well, hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Debería tongoria bang.
Yeah.
Ore ari na Shandrag Mario kumangoria na Martin. Kitu kama Martin kama jiri na kero tera kanisa. Kanisa ande batu kwa wewe si mara yo. Na kanisa leo tote mtongoria fulani. Especially yarira barenda utona ke kanisa ikora na kanisa nyingi sana ba itandene ya mema. So utena ile respect kwithirwa the president aikanisa nera na the other side ya DCP baraba opposition kari barenda wita woko so Meru to kuenda na direction ni nzuri na barabo tuje ko please lazima barekebishe no to mbagoria okevinda ta yemu to agera ko yote itakura na boteko wata nira ko biashara boteko wata ngamuntu nikipawe na ntubariba bwedu aba bangite na dero mbera dignity ya deputy president ikamba kwa takwa nyanto beyito to autonomous na batubu yo mashindwa ni area bai kompea ngapa na bila dezuanga na Meru na hii mutuma Meru kibote ke mwaka kitala barabo kusukuma sana bajua kampete vile tuna kujeto wana tikobili parende te mutuma di interview na gitare anatia so let us give ngapa na mutuma time chenda tumbo mujanji nonto dai kinya to bazia tabarabanga.
Hello. Sorry. Okay. Hello, Vero. Tukienge. Vero, hello. Hello.
Hello, Martin Ndula.
Oi.
Mbeta pasta kapeka anjo.
Karibu sana pasta.
Ndio atere. Mutumanga bana nawe kanyari tengoira yawe. Aya bariuga raisi no mudoku. Alafu raisi adoka kaya musie adoka na ngabana adoka bonde kaba kudoka. Alafu baibwa baibwa kendekea kanisana iba kwanda weta nao. Kaba kwanda wotuwe ka virikare peitangweka kariga hapa batuwe virikare re kuitangwe opposition irite.
Okay.
Ukataka hoteli omba kwa Meru. Aya hoteli omba kwa Meru abati ukira itarabara kinya atore sera kiawe na toka muetekiria. Netekiria virikare tuliterenguwe. Na abati otonegea tokona ke virikare. Mutongeria uwe na wewe mfie uwe tamuso ni mutongeria kwa wewe na nava kwa wabweka. Lakini waliwa wote muntu omo kwanda kontona ile ato aburere antobondera boki onire tamusema no nande kutenga bana ato aurero sendicha kanjo mbubu nande ko to arete ni maendeleo ni Linda Kiome Bewa antobaka kabe na ando akenindo bena yote adio bena bonindo ando na Biblia riwa utemo tonge ya omba ko mama banya temo burete Kaisinga yo modurete ngabana nga yo modurete musienga yo modurete anene wo mbe mwabanyu baro metie na iba bekana na tongeria beto tulitengwe 2027 ya kinyara atora braba kwenda lakini zaira bekana nando opposition ile kana andwa tulongwe mbero ona intera kimila keze tentibo ya mwananchi akamwa.
Thank you Nchamba.
Lakini mutuma onotebu arejia mutuma nawe sima orisi angaba na weto amero newe sima ingaba na mwaba nyato era na njira adhiri.
Asante pastor.
Martin Ndula uzalimo kabisa.
Nawe. Asante.
Nawe ndiye tole kutubetera.
Okay. Hello Vero. Hello. Hello. Na watu ringira thimo please ukanizia sauti ya TV kukane kameme kenda to watadira. Hello Vero. Hello.
Na watu ringira thimo please ukanizia.
Okay. Hello Vero. Hello. Okay. Prince Martin Justus Aruatri Gachagua anajipiga mawe mwenyewe. Tuliona gari ya system ikipigwa mawe Kirinyaga kutoka kwa mtu alitoka kwa gari. Lastly, the man from opposition has anger issues. Peter Mutwiri Binarua, anyone who has followed the DCP previous tours knows these guys have two teams. One to create perception of chaos and another team to stop chaos to create perception of victory. What do you think Peter Bina na kudhawanibu wakili? that you guys pureta ni kundi biele kimwe ikia ku create the violence kuitanga mitina kumeka njirene bo lawekira maia bangi na bakirura barabara.
Martin kenda gusogere kiure kiu na nyamuthikire uri kiure kiu ndendo kurigania ronoro muthakora etwa Albert Ojwang. Albert Ojwang kaandikire kintu ki mutandao kuhusu mantu ya ofisadi ki Utero Borisi na eta mtu etawa Eliud Lagat. Kuma ntu kuandikire na kuwata wake kuthia to mwanka musie na ari Omabe. Yare I think ntuguinya bamuthia ta makaba mumenya ari bamwendia Nairobi Central Police Station na bamoroere ndinkori atire no thirikari nio ina mamlaka yonde ya upelelezi ya usalama ya CID ya intelligence na hata kutuika kuma ora opposition ya mbiri activities yo ote ntugumo bani bena ushahidi baendia whether ni Gachagua urethi Murethi urethi ni Kanyanya kotini bawa ruarere maandamano kari kithi mawa kana ntaba bakuri nyiri ni Kanyanya kari responsible tibu ushahidi bamwendea kotini mende to make sense kutuika miakele yani iendelea no kaba kuwa ni opposition kubanga violence no temu to kwa to no to opposition bena thirikari yani mwanya kubuthi investigations but denda Martin twarase manto ya kuhusu Mumeru no turemwe no turinge siasa tukolo atire kuma September 2023 Ruto thirikari ne mwanka muthio moga 2024 ng'ombe isi yimero yetu ng'ombe ngiri mwanja mburi isi yimero yetu ngiri 3,500 tata la chama kwa thira na thai yo turi muremi kana mtoro oro yiri ng'ombe yani yusi onde kinyo mwira no kubwithia hormone ng'ombe cia gitacoka yani thai to kwaria anto yani batete into no to bwa mparera arikuo yani the name ikuthai na ndenda kuria Mumeru no ntugwito ithio ntumero ibontu kwa na facts kana figures kinya mutongoria othi gavana kana MP kana MCA asiuri atire Meru ni kuona maendeleo ya kufa kwa ya Meru.
You know what they will tell you wakili wori kiuria kiu bekwira mbere ya Ruto yetene ng'ombe ni cheyo which is a fact.
Lakini leo ukithiba kombokaria ibontu kuwa Boris saba kuraitwa ntwara kagaru ari baba ingi sana kutina sababu mukulima ayiro ng'ombe ruari na ruyo na oke no utimwira usalama wa kumbokora yakaga ntuko imwe tu onto manda abara Meru ina kilomita 6000 kilometers ya abara abara yasikiri yani lami Meru ni 582 kilometers ake less than 10%. Uthi tukwaria manto maendeleo tubati kuwa tukuma 10% kunya 30%. No nto tuino tonga bwa kana GDP ya number 5 Kenya tubati kuwa na kilomita sio kwa at least na Nakuru County lai tukwaria Igembe South Central Imenti na Igembe North those three sina less than 30 kilometers here tarmacked at least Borea kabakanyanya ni ukinyithia yana lakini ontora come in yani ita chitawa transnational highway welo kirambi Borea abaru kuma na nyuke wete isiolo but otherwise our level kana coverage nye are by the tiane ngo ben about 50 lakini not the highway right mawa is the mawa but generally at a national level compare to a very low percentage of paved roads even though kuwa tongo area to shuria like itu tore kuwa tobo the dam na northern grazing zone kuma bore mwanka any dam ba kukita for irrigation kenda to bena marwana rubare ma ngombe ga kuiwa what so difficult yani Amero beta wait ya maendeleo to ya u noribwa kuna projects ya 10 billion na yani Nyanza province bato ya to reru kento 1 billion level 6 to ringa ampe na ingerekano ti actual development so there's so much ba muchoi na
what do you mean to actual development
ingereka me promise ndio kanyanya kuwa katukuro ya kagarika malori ya gawa ni dia galia meri ile ya kirerwa nani promise agwa sibitari setu cha Meru is 601 mianga aba figures of these 601 yani sibitari serikali ni 30% about 209
iko kura thai
atenda ngoreni antu Meru ona utende wandra wake any facility private there are more than 400 private facilities out of the 600 ndio serikali itoka upgrade kutoka the world level kwenye at least two sub units kana the basic any element healthcare na si na
at what level
at the world level do all the wards have at least
dispensary na health centers.
can health units health units kweli those are the best but with tukara ila chakula tongoria tima nto ya and the support pede nyabu bokua tulekana any slogans ya kwa soprano. I agree. We need to up our game. Any game we to say
but unfortunately ya huyo ya ingi kire mero na Kenya kwa jumla that kanya kala mtu akona kwaria ikakuruma musiasa ronge without putting a meaning kintu kyombo tedia.
Lakini mati nankwere mtu ra wita misemanio nere siasa kinya opposition kana thikari nyabo kari yao makutano ruari kana ya misemanio yetu a lot of times tuwe ne antunya batengo ina sio mtu ena ndukia kana mundu kya kurema atona kanya mwe kawita misemanio ne kwa ndo baraba kura thina ekurethia ng'ombe ekurima ya mira onto mira ntu gwatwira nya mira batona mbesa guru utemtu kana kanya ya misemanio ne kuno baba ya misemanio we siasa bagere romanto ya nge soprano angambi jongoliadi
the problem ira to another I think naraji mambiririrwa lero and this issue ya anto fulani bara itrebete kenda. I think this thing is getting is tired now. Ati antu iba we create a violence kenda ba uria sympathy.
Ibo ya ndula no ntobwa comment wiki uria wa uria. Now tuwere antu baraba opposition batina agenda na no mwanka barie ba MBC no ke akwalelia iba kiri kwiro barare na break inene riu bari uchoka kiwanjene iba kuwa of course
baichokera sympathy
batibati ku deliver project kana anything but kambere baina ngui inene ya gucheki thirikari na kuira thirikari what is supposed to be done. No twende yare bakoita bora bakulamenta
this issue ya babu kuwate opposition iboba we create a violence yebongwa kenda ba uri sympathy. It's tired now na ibo tunkori atre how come okay akwithro iba kumenya this thing happened Kakamega. Unto ibo akarekire somewhere in Kisii, Bukoya bukareka Meru, ibo akarekire Nakuru or somewhere else, Nairobi, Nyeri. How come na tuwe na thirikari na ina intelligence?
Nanto bae kuya.
Otemu mtu wako wato. How come anto baba kubanga maandamano ya who is this too big okubanga maandamano na atiko wato?
Ya Martin nawe manto yobo ngoba kuibangira kenda baikipumbisi.
Fair enough. Ntekore abo. Ankori atire. Ibo bakubanga ye muredi uyu no rabangete
Fotema mete.
No rabangete Fotema mete konjere. Why is he not arrested?
Martin ida na kuibonire ori aki atire rea kurerwa re bare na mutunga no bangeta akurero ai ko ibangire to kurero na o kurero
ari yeto no gauchokeria kiuria it's okay
jokeria ngambere alafu jokeria
kiunga gichokia na nchoke kioronge auriri atiri
kiagone atiri mbira atiri nitio ntonto baba tikuwatwa okay akwithro ni opposition ni kubwithire manto ya na thirikari tikwenda we paint ire mbichembe ati baba kubwithie manto ya why can they arrest these people and then ba clear yetareo simple and clear
kango tathi kidogo mati
ndo
ndo kindo
sawa
Jim.
it's okay yeah come on 1 minute
for 1 minute
yes
mati ni ruare uigwa kanyanya akiwa PA wagachagwa na watirwe
abducted actually
lakini menda kumedha na regiru
Andre
menda kumedha I need that information to medha na regiru atregiru but you see go baigwa and of course nuko na watirwe na you confirm so nini oba kwa na watirwe omba gwethera maybe bia watiri ni gutema mitwibu but you see now the opposition wants akora kanya ya tura tabia watiri yeah I'm saying menya dinani mundu awatwa kithuzi kiosi cha whatever they complain me all they want but anya mba gutema mitibu bagwatwa kenda ruyu no tubatina agenda no tutugo tuna agenda kenda ruyu mandri bara kawita Nairobi be yende be urianto banda mana beta police station anto boiba kwaraso politically
kenda tuko iria yeta
kenda nini just
kiuri kia kone atiri Jim
nyongu wira atiri
government eri wa atiri na nkuibwa murkomena akiwa kinya atoibo batie lere tia gas bongwa beta ba ura tia gas I don't know from where
Martin actually kirisho tia gas I wish you can no way kile what nani said today alwale wira atiri mboni alwale na no opposition
no Kalwale opposition I thought
Kalwale
the majority whip kile Senate
but Medhu no UDA mulango
na Kalwale kwa reli kana Medhu
wewe wacha kuninira ka kwa
no I'm just asking
no stop being an echo no rega ngwata urie ni urega kuria wewe kuchekea mimi alia kuchekea
how is the majority
physical
no majority whip agate opposition
akwira ka opposition yate right now Kalwale oyora nani Medhu no UDA oyora mulango no UDA but they support the government nya Kalwale right now he's not supporting the government.
Jim, do I need to nkuchoke nyuma re bware na impeachment kidogo that anyone ora weta against Babwe then bwamurita kamitene
yes
you remember that utero all right
bibe tomato barito komitene and I have explained that several times
okay akwe point yongo na kuleta no kurika na yeye
bibe tomato barito komitene muno ya issue itemized budget wado ono ndonotira kwa kawira no ndonotira kwa kawira na ito kwenda kumwira itemized budget ono tumira kwa sabotage itemized budget that was the reason let me say what I was saying what I was saying before Bondi Sarapti na wewe mtwara kwa chati so what I'm saying is this ndiriwo Kalwale Boni Alwale right now criticize government is electoral na UDA na whatever just like Medhu wabe tebemirwa now
coach ile kidogo ya behind news kidogo Kalwale of late ile support mneno atrikare
but jeni ni chawira kwa rakirwa re akuwa bata support atrikare bala kwa development
and that's exactly what
support ni mtu support atrikare I think arawamaka wito ku support atrikare so huwa tu support atrikare kana tunaambiwa support atrikare re to kwa development kumaanisha ate umesupport it is what was saying so kama what was saying akuwa mtu ra elele nini Kakamega ora elele tiangasi Kakamega na mmenya ari sawerda awo mundore na umenya na yoranda na actually clips ya wechi ni yeah no na I saw somewhere a longer clip akiwa na umenya na he will be akaita onge akaya na details cha we aita aka watu na umenya is a welder na atumiri nini antu barabani so what I'm trying to say is this Martin antu baba opposition oyoro ipo issues cheza bana ora ndo batina agenda no mwangaba uri bire bagaita anaba gaita aro ihukumia antu gestoruche bitanga miteke na baba watu
gotere tombira atri tia gasi u elere kana o anenkanire keda ita wiko kyantu either isifuna or someone else
you see tell us
okay we welder it could be maybe either ka to mini opposition ye kana either to midrikari
but dirikari ina borithi kwa la tiangazi kidai tiangazi bako enda kwa how do you use just a minute
so
how do you use Martin so kwa la tiangazi when the government is there dirikari leo kwa la tiangazi alafu ruri na mtu umete na tiangazi na dirikari ya tiangazi buruki ichi go to every day kana ichi ya mutindo dirikari dara kanirete. So are you saying kodena black market ya wipos unetira chela wakuri dirikari yendera negere
essentially mheshimiwa bro kuwa na atire dirikari ni remi manto security that anyone na ku access gun anywhere anyone na ku access tear gas anywhere
but you see also Martin one thing you need to know is this dirikari kinya kendil na manto security na whatever nambi of course there are these issues ibon to kona borithi by town by patrol no ndo boambi no kinya bedra na security
Mheshimiwa Jim kia kwithwa de cabinet secretary wa interior I would make sure organizers ba violence mechemanene especially opposition I would make sure that antobobo andebe kirimpene na by kotini mbaro either the DPP ile kushughulikirwa kana anto ibaro mimba one chekoti dai bakithitanga yes
I want to tell Jim this
era mero
ali uongo na kwali ndio
Kwa hiyo kile ndaika cha.
Arera miru ngaigirwo.
Ili kwa ndagurika ni. Rĩrĩa twaringirwe kana rĩrĩa twaũrĩirwo kanitha-inĩ Nyeri Othaya twetire tũreikia marĩtwa na namba cia antu bathimu
Baraba furumete.
Can I finish what I'm saying? I'm the one speaking, not you.
Yes.
Igo kwa Andres na Meru bakiga uga. Na tureta mwanka ofisi ya AG kumwikiria evidence to date.
Yeah, obviously.
No, IG, IG, not AG. IG. And the deputy IG was there, both of them, the two of them, and the senior security officers. Twabaikiria evidence kiri ofisi. Na twabera papa ibo bathiria meya ici icho namba ciao chajo marito yao.
Bambiri investigation.
Bambiri investigations.
Bendera batina makosa hapo kurongo as issue.
Today these people batera wata batera kwa kotini kotini ntokira karika. Are you getting? I told you again nikiamberia thirikari iji ure kutuchuira meya batu anto proposition inyoka uo thona njimu akiuga inko mwata na ntemu mwata
But Steve Ray,
I'm just trying to
Steve surely
they are looking for betuari tumeye kidogo batu watatu bate gutona tha iji muntu agwitaga gita muterunga mieri borisi kethiri yundira gitaga nkaraka kwa watu niki ni bako minyo ngitete.
Okay, so now wayato ina wakili if he wants to be truthful atwira today that crime karikire Nyeri you did not report kiri kambirere akwina anto ya karikire and then boendi marietwa vigilance house. Where does that happen?
Ndula ino ku report
kwa polisi
iri kukao uite polisi. No,
IG
is IG and the police.
And obibu kuna ara mejira.
And obi vigilance.
Where obi na bambi.
Always crime reporter wa ara karikirete.
The crime reporter ina karika. How do you take names vigilance house?
Then ask this we report kwa IG abere obi na bambi. Nkabadhi adere.
You know, you are not following. Mbere ya mantuzo jonta za karika ina bangari betre ba report na ngari chono number plate na mantuzo jonta za karika. They reported and they did their statement.
Kwa IG ga Nyeri.
Nyeri. After they went to Nyeri, nothing happened, and that's the reason why. 1 week later, better ku report kiri IG ku kiria report. Na ubiti on the theater attached. Kiri anto bombe bare nyangari tiao, tiaete vandalized. So what I'm trying to say is this, Ndula. Inye riba kwenda kwa etheria. Utembera na aru intindita na michema ni ntumira tembecha. Ntumira pesa chio tiura. I don't have enough money ya kuidhokia. No, I don't have that money. Personally.
Ida bere kwararira bati na what us to move nonto yoro turonire something very unusual kiri amero baba inge itrare expected that former governor Kawira Mwangaza ibarake na Mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi na Linturi wo you know wo iba mobilize rembecha na iko yocho wo iba muchoi ba mobilize better to a tune of 100 million plus yeta ku impeach Kawira Mwangaza, but then yoro tuona ba yake yadha nasia. I don't know what it means kisiasa but tukayaririe manto yao thai kirimwenda arua kirimwenda kuma Adhoana Award Martin salimia viongozi wote and tell Jim that Adhoana Award is one term from president up to Jim. This government has totally failed us. Timo Steve Arua Martin kwenda nashika okay but Junior Arua, Jim is not answering your question, Martin. Why hasn't the government arrested the so-called opposition violence perpetrators? Going ile sana Barry, but Jim is playing smart with me. Hilary Mutali Arua, kindly Jim and Aki just don't suspend the use of something called logic. Viva Steve and Wakili for the good counsel. More so, tell Aki to to do rehearsals. Okay. Martin Kinoti Ruatri. to ask those guests and mostly Jim to tell us how come the list of shortlisted county positions has a list of candidates with one name per position, where instead of having 2 names, they have written 1 name only. Okay. Now,
my minutes.
Okay. Good alternate, but you have another chance. Kiatire, euro ndroni former waziri Senator Linturi bali nyimbicha na Kawira Mwangaza. How do you take that? Na lately ibedrite kwanza gachagwa rirari na interview ako weru the other day awire ati mutuma yukirie power na murango enyuma, he did not deserve na ata support impeachment yeje. But alafu then later tuona Faringi Bicha. What do you make of this politically?
Ipo yandula mantu jara kana mbica uturonere oni kwibonka wake kampwira ya opposition pandu bira kuona kuo ni a lot of confusion nontu jathai kithira ndebo kithira ninkerete Kenyans muntu mwe wo urawitite kundefend kitikia urawitite guchindana na president wetu mantu ya ubatabwithia na mbuwe bungi onde au kiri mantu ya kunenkanira muntu mwe antu au kwitite kureta thinene muno nontu muntu ratu kuona akirumana nora wari wa shares na ara thirikari-ine aingirwe achumbura antu bau bonde muno nontu bonde bau tukuona ni antu babutirwe ngui ni antu bena reasons cia kuura thirikari gatuwe u kou kirage kwa thara ni greed ke opposition muntu aina maybe a sober mind na atina I genuinely for Kenyans maybe is one person now weto bona na Kawira na weta anta wa ke bonde mbugamba kwithira muntu umwe kana baile ake barabari genuine nontu bau bangi tureta tukono wote komenya indra butirwe o wake ne wekethira ni reason ye wetambi weta msafara now kubona niria na Kawira is not a big issue nontu Kawira kuringwa mbicha kote kumaanisha anything nontu ntewitikia Kawira aga support bara naomba kinya kore support thirikari akariari wewe nkobureta atia oburaria so kote ni thing serious ndayukia ki mbicherere atia iraringirwe ngochoke kiure gyaku kenda nchoka kibira nkuretwe wakili kwi kiuria omborerie mantu ja kuringwa na arankwelo maia Tiania West ya te okuretie very well kwi kiuria nkuretwe ini message yandiki au nkiura kuone ata nkubwithia Tiania West buranko explain yantu ba opposition ibabati kwithira baitwira nimbibe yete kubwithia bayukia thirikari that was a very fair question kambuwe Tigania West ntikuringa muromo wake Jim is my witness inkurita ngoi nyingi muno ndina program beta wa kazi manju imbrereti ana baba ingi muno ngwe iba kurita nara kinya pie are omweshimwa Jim na itre DRC Kinshasa na kurita ngoi no is doing very well na natire kanya kau kara yuko imuntu nge wambi
that is vacant kwenda popular
no ngayokeru mwana onge otiania to wake ibaba ingi betite okinya 50 thai so inko address challenge ya unemployment and I think nkebwetha kio inkuone lianto that no mbombe weta atia wakili kuona kura wonere ndaringirwa ichale ni mheshimiwa tirio ya mbere ikwari na incidents yario twina kintu kita wa mbunge la mwananchi na one of the local TVs au na sponsor yanto kanandaka na bakamata maia seriously kwa tuika oni ndathiria show Evanstone au kanda organize ni an assistant chief noe ndi utumiro message o ithano ndabatumira ndabera what is happening bambira it is true no bangeri weta atia so noe ambangire panya roots irange atia iranga toroka nacio ndatorokere kwi thaa ithano cia utuku
How?
na yes, it is something that was published
Akubangire ata
everywhere na
kikire.
kinya na imantu kinya reported. Yes, kankwenda utalira incidences iu na nkwa reason
Okay, so now
ya burambo mbakuwa no etete atia
beleza tiri kiki.
yes.
Beleza tiri. So how is that, how is yours genuine ati imuntu uyu no kubangire
kankwenda kweana evidence
just a minute na ya bababo yo ibongo bakuibangira
Martin wamburia kiuria kiu wamburia kiuria kiu after I explain what I'm explaining ndaeleza bura nkueleza sawa sawa. So eu ni ntuku imwe no ntumweshimwa atenda program iu etatia ikarika nukuwata yau yo mantu twina yo tiania second day ningi niyo twina sensitization ya kiama kia UNDA twina grassroots whatever elections ichietete okarika ichiario na ira cancelled. So now to wait chietu ni purely imantu internal nonto imbetete mbi membi kiamene kira mweshimiwa etete atia kirari na itochindana na itwetete mchunjo na bu no igwa. So bonge bobo akarikire echo
okay
echo itoyete ku launch imbi Martin etera. These are the very serious things.
I know it is very serious and
so oni inkomenya orankorwano na inkomenya nimbi gitumi. So I have nini evidence ya manto yarankwaria.
Do you have evidence ya bobo ibobongo bakuitira miti na kuingira barabara?
Yeah.
Now that you have your evidence ate kwe
and these are two different things yeto ni manto ya
it is the same complete thing. It is exactly the same thing.
Yeto political violence.
You on the political there is
so oni
na go bera keda difference ire ko kuono because
political violence ye ko inkomenya nare kuma na inkomenya no kubwithia yo
kinya ya ba you seem to know them not to know ko ibongo bakuiretera violence. So it's like when evidence
tori wa ibo bakuiretera no to bwari kwe manto ya maingi to kwaria wakiri yetera ni give me time no to ndio mbita nta kwira
karuare na Steve na kuire oni ondreka 15 nditeira to ambere kuiria meeting kimbenganite na makanga mongira to be athira
nimbe ngani yabo
katogoro amaia ngare cia unango isiso ende ngori atire yani
kwa kondo incident kwa kondo incident
ji kuma ukona
nataka nkoya teka kile ankori
ile post ya kaloga baada kwa ndo atire maji my point is toro amaia ngare sina unango isiso wewe ngwa tambire kuira yani benganite
ibo reportere
kwa ireni ndani mtoka rande
kwe no andikithirie wena OB number
atusiora kana tuna sympathy na wewe no sino kia wa uri mutunga hiyo to ndo yao ndao ni nada wetu kamdana kamduka
is yours reported only ekwa mine is reported wakili mine is reported no to inkomenya my suspect is yours registered reported
fair enough.
Ekune ripoti.
Fair enough. Let's move on.
Ekune ripoti.
I want us to move. Wakili mbere atire. Nurare kwa kabira?
Enda reko.
What is your plan? What is your intention? Now you see, wakili, I hate to disappoint you. I hate to disappoint you, lakini Sunday ntirukire mubango yitu ari na Mheshimiwa Mithika Linturi na kumana na mearia ikene yaka ya bayukiti Mwambi Manyara no kedro ari senator wa DCP. So I don't know where you are falling yourself. Na okay agwethro kwanza nurari kwa kawere yoro even the worst ego doke mantu kinyango luki
ari Martin menya hii siasa na siasa sherwaniti sharoyo ibo nto kwa menya mkoera sumo kiro keno nto kinyoka jata nationally kiro President Ruto bari na Raila kira luke Raila ndio tangu na Uhuru kira luke Uhuru ndio tangu na Raila Kui kawaida ya siasa. Yaani siasa ti dini ndio wa dini mtu Muislamu katika kutoka Kiislamu. Kuna freedom. Na kuna legal processes na political processes. Mandhari kadhaa hii political process. Mandhari ya impeachment na whatever happened there. Wengi kia rasinde wakili. Wende ndio legal process. Kuira tena liwe debate mimi anto na uwe kwa garigire au kota garigire but you siasa. Wamburi yangu ankwira Kawira na RMP impeached as a lawyer. Lakini ndo thikire bamuchui na ba lenturi na bangi baba na political angles manto yakarika bakare uza ni umaboka na whatever side mtu are akari manto wake. We are in the meeting leaders non to date in the leader na bedha ndiara na ndemu tukoromba kura sasa nita Meru County ondo yana. Baada kuromba muso ikura karomba kaina rombera akini na akiambira hapana kadha lokere ila karomba anto bonde nya kanyanya na without calling ya mbona boya
mbona boya gatwari
ngo kujasa ati kanyanya kujasa Woni basically kama expand political net ya kwa no to anto amo danya tongoria dentro di mutongoria Kawiri mutongoria na bena ntalo la dikirasia kunko na kanyako ya Kawira ndemwira man tamba ngirite Meru desenita ndibatu kayukia kamweleza na mpaka anyanda na nto wake very well for me kuba nkole leo na ina kwa manyara na nonere ya kalentore ba mwendo sete mtu na ndo sonyaru ari na royo bakona murithi no kugwa bagareka ko siasa itena manto ya romena ku angai tu inkorana ngania ari we yango sioka na ndisioka na agenda na nini manifesto na whatever things I have to offer Meru.
Thank you. Jim, uhusiano wako na Mithika Bukariada?
Mchora wako?
Even after Kinya manto ya
yeah, Mithika is my friend.
Okay. So now that Mithika is your friend, that makes Kawira Mwangaza what?
You see, menya oni I have my own mind. Na noko menya right now, Mithika not only fair politically, but it doesn't mean not only that he ngo support Rikari Mithika opposition. But that does not mean tore andu. Na I think anto baraba angry or disagree. Ibu nyaba eta agora ya mono. Number 2, kirisho ya Kawira na Mithika. Ki the first impeachment. Mithika no tetherie Kawira when President Ruto. But we were even closer. Ruto angry kinya to support Rikari twinde. But I told him no, unti ambao ni support Kawira and I went ahead. Mwangazo the impeachment wata Nairobi. Na Mithika support Kawira on the other hand. Nante wetikia one am absolutely convinced. Kawira to bako govern. Kinyaga ito ate kinyaga cho korenki kana ya tano. Kawira cannot govern and she's not a bad person. Na woni na Kawira nya wente thina na chiawe chia person. Nenda gwire nyentu gwira ndare ari nginda gwira Kawira actually to aragia. To rikyo mbere nko ni WhatsApp ko italk na Kawira other things. Lakini kile mantu anga bana simwira nya inbox. Tugeragia. Kamuro otomba you need to consider other things kana at least women represent a lot of nini ko manage staff baba ingina whatever. Maybe she can handle that. Na maybe Kawira ya koromba ketika women rep da support non to anything personal nweni. But in terms of governor she can't. Number 2. Okay agwithira. Maybe Kawira client kana te client na ubarare utuku ni arabe ni uchokia. Maybe Kawira nga bana Meru kana whatever. Maybe ki election either yake imbaloti maybe achinda kana whatever. Then I can confidently say Gachagua no opposition does not mean well for Meru. No to the to na cho 2.5 years. Yeah. Na by the way nyembere ndira holo don't ever interview Gachagua au Ruto no engere Kawira na nya Mithika na wire na choka Gachagua au make a very serious nini na actually assembly ka respond very soon au assembly ne kairo ambe Ruto kenda inga Kawira but they want to state na branko kwenda kwira Meru na branko kenda bamenya niu kire kitu I think to impeachment ni ile Gachagua na tuetre Nyeri county assembly Meru na yetu ta county assembly Nyeri diturari yetu mairera ndo semana kia na Gachagua hadi aitwira huyu mama ni kisirani sana na areo twita twaria few things na tatwire turekane akawira atatwire turekane akawira ka twitire atwira kwani mama ni kisirani namna hii sijui nini achoka ringi twikwa atwita kwa mwiti ringi mwiti Gachagua yete kwa mwiti the last meeting ira ari Meru there was a tent behind the house nyumba ya Shadrack Mwiti na watu aliona Gachagua a few things na anko anda go state ki this the last impeachment first impeachment Gachagua atatu supportere second impeachment Gachagua atatu supportere aitake atwira mama ni kisirani nini akaura ageta saidire kanjiro mu support the last impeachment ira succeeded Gachagua was on our side na ndenda Gachagua akana kana mbuya githoiri genda mbuya ya wigwa itaumbi the last impeachment yenda ndaigwa the last impeachment ira yetre through Gachagua okay kwa ile the first impeachment and second impeachment totari na nani totari na Karungo Thang'o atatu supporti ara against impeachment ni right hand person wa Gachagua totari na mundu itawa Nyutu on our side first na second bauni Erad boys ba Gachagua tutari na eta wate
those are elected senators.
Yes, I'm okay, I apologize, I withdraw. Senators barabara ya line Gachagua, let me use a more nini. Then the other one eta wate wewe na marario manene Methu Methu nu athoki muno agimpichi Kawira ke our last impeachment na because we had convinced Gachagua that Meru was ni arena problems na senators bara watu topinga rata aita au ngibato support na Gachagua atumite Methu ato support I can say that na Methu bekwe yara beire na Kathuri ke state of the county address assembly Kathuri aita kwa address ba Methu bamuretere na baro mureta twaria kwa aria mwara no ntumiru and a lot of problems riu to karabo na twaria na tobona ili how Meru is nini whatever ibo batwirire kinya Gachagua na no ino toiba kuona bora Meru wita so it is high time we made Meru nini na tabere to yete na another impeachment motion na twira round ye to arete kinya na Gachagua I won't get the leading person and he actualized that kiri this impeachment ya mwisho the first impeachment again na the second impeachment muntoro supportere Kawira noro tura go support Kawira na ka geria kwa rinya senator kinya Kawira na makosa ya mengi mma ya first impeachment na second impeachment akawa nawe time arekebishe I president Ruto na president Ruto na uwire TV ne Martin au mama alikuwa na matatizo pale akona shinda ya governance acknowledge wengo na makosa lakini au atiri tutamsaidia na tuende kawe time kenda itate alani so what happened with the last impeachment Ruto atu supportere na by the way I can confidently say kinyake last impeachment Ruto atu supportere what Ruto did rumethika wetu atere omona it is true we were able to convince president through other people and directly kana through where we were narato chamani noe to convince Meru a lot of problems na nuwa kampe ambande ni edinile Meru yeta in the next 5 years so what did the president do the president stepped aside ato tianira nendeli ba atia the natural course etekimbi
so like kutari na any contribution ya president because that kira medically ntore aruwa ni kwari na lobbying kwari na intimidation na blackmail some of these chuma kinyake president after whether atina aringire Kathuri Murungi na atina aringire bariri na Raila Odinga through someone else so that means president na area ati kama anto ya kire impeachment
oni Martin mbombikia kwari burambichi na unia mbombikia kwa area for the assembly nenda kwire tukwire ngidarea and I can speak mbombikia kwa area up to arankomenya nenda kwire rengi kwa kariuki impeachment na meanda riera rianto bagwa itwatire kona methika na oraba itwata kuria ginyaba Moses kuria tumage president itwata kuria some of the
so it's not like yaro to bawitho
no it was not a secret no nduri the highest undobronke muntu akibuide bonene pio nenda kwire rengi ikuringa kura our assembly I think that is the peak impeachment teu na nduga kuthinda ringire kura publicly re na nduga I vote yes teu kanda vote yes ndachoka muje mama nda vote yes just a minute let me just finish ndavote yes ndachoka no tunarore yare yamba yare rengi na itwenda kabisa kawira ana kabisa na nyero arenga kwa no ita kwa ndeta omwinga no nini kawira ogira ageta kauria mutai kaiga ageta kauria gavanasi ba iguru na oreva ekuruba onde gavanasi ba chani ba abatoma ke president abatoma bere tipo Ruto uri de magoza nina yo ne arume ba kure kurumiru so na tuto kokira tugeta kuria ba mithika tugeta ke mindia toje president toje bani no gira lisire president da na nya kanisa ene tukara mama ikito amore president ute kuro to kura batu kamuntu utomba konkavani meru na meru ina thina so the same way yare mithika kuito na methete muto onete mithika just a minute let me just inquiry ko kuri kematin tuonete mithika ye maingi ya kariara to mutuma na uke president era president yatiri na step aside na kurikana lo to lare the last meeting era mbere impeachment yile to kurama rato are lare na president to ramire to muratiri please kato bromba keep off this thing kenda mero yomba kwa justice and that's exactly what the president that's exactly ibu president so ote nini nte kuona yaka kwina ote witho mware ora to betha kira ntokawira na lobe na ito to mantu ba wengwe na yu to mabetu and then now finally kire
so how does it make you feel
finally just a minute finally kire brombo ya mantu ya president na ranginga thimu na whatever kithera ringara bakathuri gatha ta baringaira I think indegiro mitheka akiwa but as long as that now meunta etaniria mitheka ko president nanta arina kathuria rembo mbona kathuria geringirwa thimu president kana karamithika na president mbona bageringa thimu but what I know is that president Ruto ka withdrawere no ga kwithira kawira na bateria kumblame ini mbodi kiri impeachment yake mwisho abateria kumblame Gachagua nonto Gachagua abateria kwa linya pattern
okay so beta ke Steve very quickly biratri mosh so mandoya yetumoka ibwatea that okay ibwengire kawira na that happened of course it's a constitutional process lakini nende mithikare yaka uate mutuma kayukirie itekia mwekuru yani meaning kamo chunire so yeah kamutuma is not the legitimate governor
daikirwe Gachagua agita mutuma bonoko
yambiriria mithika
bonoko ikawera
no in this nini
it's okay yeah. Lakini daikirwe Gachagua agita mutuma bonoko no ndo ataringeri kuga lakini Gachagua pia nakoro maka watiri nwe legitimate deputy president no ndo naringeri kura amwaruto lakini hata kurikana mutuma nyawe naringeri kura amwakawira so you cannot be bonoko na mutuma is okay. Just a beneficiary let me just say this
so, no, I want us to move quickly please yes
mutuma a no role mutuma taringa kura impeachment mutuma tarin anything roya kawira roya yare omiru yare between members of county assembly na kawira and then let me say something else very important okay ya kwithira kwa mfano mbitegere kutumira wakili okay ya kwithira wakili akweya ndamugwata kwa kithaura ng'ombe akia nkamugwata twina membi ana bakwa tumwikite police station to mau membi tukinyara nini tukinya gitembene Bensuda agethira membi na murumete so ona ko roigito ko burithi Bensuda no akanjira omura no ntubo muruma uwende meanjo ni ndro level neki ajo no mura kile bwekie tukinya membi town ogethira ko bingia ya biongi ungiura nwe akambirio mura you see it doesn't mean that doesn't mean Martin.
This is my question
Just a minute that doesn't mean o ate kuyeta gwakwa so batu to watereka wira no tunaramba ni governance nete provoice niti so baraba joinire na ba joinire le bosire ba joinire yari there are problems na bo
diriori atire so how does it make you feel that mithika wora bwatetheri ura wabutetherie kwinga kawira through wo wito mona na baraba ari na boy no that tai iba kotai na kawira na iba kuwa mutuma is not the legitimate government. How does it make you feel now as a person?
Yeah, I don't have a problem with that because it's their opinion.
Fair enough.
Bora kumenya kitu wengine kawira na inaongeza gene na just a minute.
Bokwana that ibu akikwenda kubwa.
Yeah.
Steve.
Yes.
What is your plan? Mubango yenu yuriku because kinya wenkwiberuru ari okiaria na ubore okiaria kuona ne bora mutuma is not the legitimate governor.
Kawira comes from my constituency.
And
Number 1. Number 2, Kawira is a leader. Number 3, I stood firm. Ndera anto baba bonte na TV na radio na Kawira agimpicho. Mbere bwingita Kawira. Twambe tukarende guru. Bombo ni no ku replace na Kawira kuma buri.
what do you mean to replace?
Ino baba mulita of course ka replace.
To replace governor, any deputy, or that is the constitution.
The point here, the Sharia is that the deputy will take it. So who takes after no kuchukia position kiwango cha kiu ya Kawira kuma Bori constituency. That was my statement.
Bori Meru gatemero.
Bori Meru ile lakini taka Meru Mwitone after Meru after Mwitone. My point bwana nini tijina sauti gweta bwana urambulele. Politics is about numbers. Opposition in numbers ye kuongera. Ora gukarikanya kiba bangi ukathugania wikingi gututirwa miru no twirire ingiri magana kenda ira chakura kikure imwe minus magana kenda ki magana kenda jara minus imwe ire tithite ora it's a benefit to us as the opposition. And we must start by looking for people one barabena ideas kana barapo mpaka kugura ideas chetu including Bensunda very soon bere mwaka juju dira na tugachoka na banjimba twarego chema ni aba kiuga either one time kana beru terero etu ngakuria reason being listen Bensunda akiraga ritingu bena njimu wete kagita ntu bakarite thirikari the point is
yes that ibo chwa kura. How about Meru? How about kwithira buri genuine? Buri uri kura burenda Kawira nontu akaya na kura ciake kana buri mwenda nontu kama nengirwe
number one Ndula turicho Kawira one as an individual na kura yawe na support yawe na mathogani jawe as a Meru leader.
So are you genuine?
You are very genuine because ndakwira Kairi no gotwirire au ikura tutagerete milioni 1 utekengi utoma kendeke atinda ntuko 10 ntuko mugwanja kandi kuithatu ira gutinda etinda kendona kethira kongera numbers ici utinda kwirwo.
So wina Kawira nontu kwa kureke not just because
not kwa kureke number 1. Number 2 as a leader muntu ina influence Kawira kamuya number 3 me as a muntu umete buri constituency kwa inkugwerwa muno uni Kawira erutereruru kendomba kuona ora tumba kusukuma buri igeta na njirere yagirite
Mheshimiwa Jimo Ariwatre that Gachagua played the biggest role role nene nkurukira Rutomba kwithira played kile ku impeach Kawira. So in simple ate genuine.
Let me tell you Ndula mitheka na aru arungamira kaniseni auga we na kuromba sister wawe Kawira urekeri amurekere. Who are you not to forgive?
Forgiving, yes. Actually, awire atire, this is what Mitheka said. Mitheka awire atire, ya kumenya kabaro yalithirwe na Kawira i President Ruto. Na nibu ontoa kuwa sore kire Kawira.
You remember I told you, Ndula, kwetoka alikana tukiambiri nkoirire. How Ruto works because I've worked with him very closely. Ruto abubanga abuinde. Inyanto egana the same thing, but in different mato. Bukiuma araura kwa uwetha iji iyo Bensunda utongi ukatigania West MP nuko na yundi yeu bale na Bensunda akenda kwira yathaiba karitende na mwirite ngata mutunga nonto atena numbers iyo kwa nkajukia the same time nerite the same statement mutunga ugote mutungi mbana tigania West iyo kwa kakara nayo na ibo ndya babange au mwanga ntukuche muthia na bakeja kumenyora gukara nthiguru ni thirire na nthiguru ni tire. My point here is Ndula Kawira mutongeria whichever way bamuritere nayo kana whichever way alitere nayo, whether Ruto participated, whether Mitheka participated, whether the way Jimmy is saying Gachagua no play the big loan tijina Gachagua play gari no te kura ringa senate Gachagua antona agita gwita okuji okuji ya borere ndikiria itaga boko inga Kawira antona Gachagua akithia
I explained how
so dena posts ya Dennis Itumbi. Dennis Itumbi arimeta a Sunday story akaya na ronora ntukwira mututigi CDF General Gola akwire. That was when the fate was sealed. because ntukunio kwa rina machindano wa Arasagana and then Gachagua araua ati nakwenda kwaria siasa cia Mount Kenya after president akuwa ati nakwenda weta ku Nairobi no ntubwe kukia Ogola. And then he continues and says that Gachagua informed the president that he cannot postpone a meeting he had initially agreed to. A meeting Mr. Gachagua and mobilized for. It was scheduled, yes, but this moment it was overtaken by events. What meeting was so urgent at the moment? Of course, yari meeting ya kuimpeach Kawira Mwangaza. The delegation was led by Agriculture Minister Mithika Linturi. The mission was simple: pressure the president to support the removal of Kawira Mwangaza. The delegation, when he finally spoke, he was calm but firm. The president Nwakawira, but then bura itumbia kumaanisha kile post yenda ya sana ni ati Gachagua no played the biggest role, just like Jim Akuwa no played the biggest role ya kuimpeach Kawira Mwangaza.
Actually, let me add something on
so
that
it
day.
Is either
on that
kururongo burea
on that day
kana kuimantu
on that day Martin unta in that meeting what was there kwari ni akuru banjuri so nya members ba assembly barabari no bari no bambioki ba DMK barabari members banjuri ncheke na lechi banjuri ncheke ibo betero sagana na mucha munira i president ya bankanireti i Gachagua through effort ya waziri Mithika abankanireti president kendende ba abongwa leadership ya njuri na ni beta ba convince president why Meru ekundiserve Kawira Ebelio. Then something dramatic happened. Na I hope nani akaandika. Someone informed Kawira that kwa anto benara na vile betrete ni impeachment yewe. So Kawira drove from here Mwanka Sagana. And what I'm saying is pure truth. Kawira weta she was kept outside. So president and kotugendi nwe ende within ya maybe baba itongo moja bali no opportunity ya kuona president ya wa side of the story. So what happened that day, president ataitronge ilio kotukira kuna manto wala, so the meeting and the statement that the president made, president ya kurubara aberire na maybe you can call DMK ya kwera kana mbioki kana maybe anyone else or arege that meeting kana maybe Nyamithika I think he can say the no arioma president aberire sasa kama kuna shida Meru au Nyamithika si wewe ishinda wewe ndiye nyinyi ndio mlileta kwa sababu amra nyinyi ndio mlileta shida kwa sababu nyinyi mlipiga kura kwani ni mimi nilipiga kura. That was the response of the president. I hope the next with the time wakante.
He actually naandikite. Yeah, aruatri. Aikwari president ura I brought you a governor mkaniambia hapana.
Exactly.
Mimi sina kura ya Meru.
Exactly.
Mkasema governor ni mama. Nikamchukua Linturi nikamfanya waziri.
That was the exact ones.
Mkapata governor kwa kura yenu na mkanipatia za rais. Sasa mmesema penye wazee hapaharibiki jambo. Kwa nini mambo ya Meru inaharibika na mko hapo? I do not want to go that direction.
Message because I've not seen it.
Some 10 hours ago.
Lakini ndio kuona na ndio na message you. Ukoona what I was saying. That was the president.
Wakili, are you by any chance kabo korongo je Kawira kabo kwelio mwikira boxing net just to mess up again?
Berenzo ikiriki Martin. Ndio dikira bo mucho ya kuwa. Na dada kile post ya Itumbi. Ndio kuwa bado kuna dina Kenya. Na idina rampetre ya kujia takatibo uyua nonto ki impeachment process governor. Yani ndio dikira mucho iyaka obviously yani county assembly ni alina sababu ya kuimpeach Kawira. Na bakeria kudiatira process ira we katiba na beta baende mastaka yani esa ni tuwa ndio with resolution sio be county assembly. Leo watu lazima beta about influence ya political players whether ni Gachagua whether ni Ruto na niko ni afili Kenya AK governance ndio tuka yani mtu akaye mimi mtu kuna governor wao mtu nara Kericho mtu alimpichwa eta senate senate ke boyeke data ya mulokeria asoka
nuko mene because this thing is both political na judicial. So it is both kwena siasa na kwena katiba.
Lakini ngoenda kwenda kuathiri mimi na sisi Meru itendira nonto yeto atara uto atara twara fix governance system wetu kera utuka governor abide makosa MCA ba abide makosa ba kira ba abide the submissions na whatever senate ba ko levantar objectively kena ndo tika SB ni ila kandi ya shagwa kandi ruto no ntende utuba yani umuso twira baroka wetanga ina ekuri influence na abide manto yo inyaka wira no atikyo na justice whether no ndo tankwa yani no roka no right okay, the process is about influence. No, we're all about to mobilize influence you as much as they can. But kita tu baca kawira. When tu bawa dia level by na lintu kan na bawa kuli lagu mantu. No, tu itu kan ini tarik history. But you betul bawa onde ni antu macam politically. No, tu kawira no kasia. Kita mantu kania no kasia lintu. Tu dia no kania. Lagi ni window boleh lioro. O barasia genuinely nkyo lese tukire ntila tya ndio murungu bugumangona sia to kuiwa wala na uma but I think when a genuine desire back come together be yo senja antayo kali Meru
Kiki who is fooling
just a second
1 minute
just a second
1 minute
just a second before to
take wende na manto amenge sana
ngomenya but I want just a second to what you say just a second I wanted to say just in kwangri na wakili what you say about me challenge ile okay this issue is impeachment no but when a very good case kana nya very bad case but you see what happens issues ije kinya Nairobi it is no longer about the county it is no longer about the problems in the counties do nya kwenda kumenya manto yeu so what happens bakinya nara who that person na ku impeach is aligned to who the so that is the biggest problem also we have and I want to agree with
this is where
nenyero to butha ke lobbying yeu ato butha ke lobbying no to kawera no na butha ke nwe at that level
so anyo milioni yana kwira
but what I wanted to say what I wanted to say about no okachonge actually me uri githia ba okache kawira what I believe is that kawira obakache na Martin we are with you here na ndenda kwa ile kamera na ndenda clip yeritu na inderere mithika even in this first impeachment ila tatake kawira ndamwire you will be the biggest victim aendo bai twaria WhatsApp na thimu ndamwira ni you will be the biggest victim ukawira finally no era Muhammad Fertilizer no era upaki mitemba and even this time round I want ankwenda kukwenda bakacha kwa banani kawira the support ya kawira is not transferable to anybody even to an MCA to an MCAs nini kawira support ira kawira there ni ote transfer ke muntu is not transferable to anybody and then case yasa kawira cannot stand atirwa maginyo opposition yeta onge kawira kinyaka ya kwa cleared utintu kwa karwama arombera nani kura baba ketha bena opposition no utintu kwa karwama arombera kinyethirikare iguo kawira will always go and win nini na kawira change things change but kawira does not change na this video Martin maybe 2 months to the election and 3 months to the election nenda tuchoko me player and they will be the biggest victim
who is fooling
I'm a player ndo winda rongwere
who is fooling
ndula oni mbugire atiri no mburite mantu yo yakawira ringi wamburia comment ye kwani iri ndakwira mantu jau nti yayukia seriously jau muchamane yuyo akarikire no ntukinyani inkumenya kawira obunji mwakuwa that is exactly what I can say no ntuimuichie imbichie how she operates na remonya indo mama indiewe
what happened to girl support the girl code ya kwithira ati kuruipo kwata na bari bo supportana
Martin utumba isasa waipo ya muno ko supportana turi ekuru na ni untu bomba kwithira bwibu ya muno but tutumba supportana blindly ati no ntu tuyekuru without plan kana without kumenya imbibio ngo wetate imbibio ngwa o support kawira uninta mupinge rari mbere nuonete ndakwite no eburu no ntubwa wekuru buwe ndi ukuwira and in fact the first impeachment unindona kakuonelwa ibanjim atebwithiti kinya cabinet kana arita kinyango wetu ona utenda kazi wake lakini tweweta kumenya menyaniria noe nde ya kuona muntu atebwa no mbino ntubwa governance style yewe atikwenda any other person ethira ari akuinwe arienda kubwithia matu arimbi ari wengwa kabisa kinya bai nabo cabinet iwa kwewa time athura na ababwithia kinya bo ataba consulti kawire thaira ndaitari kawire thaira ari engineer kawire thaira ari everything na noe warani the show you know mantu ya ukutegarika no mwanka ongavani na stakeholders kinya kauntine kethira indaktari mwekanya arite ngui as per his or her profession kethira nungi technocrats bae kanya baranimbi no ndokinya in the national government president kana deputy but umetithia bongwa they are governing with other people yeah
okay so now as we conclude ibo kuambia basi Sifuna or
ndakwira kairi it's about numbers natoka ngambia bote baraba kuga thikari citibete thitio ra witite atigo gabo kangata makiuga tutewatanira ibetere bagara bekangata nabo kawira rete kawira b wero tibigoro no tutewatanira na kawira rete kawira b tato tia kawira tugutanga atetheria you never know what change ya ikia so you cannot prove to me that kawira ate change kulingana na raba music.
I know what Jim is thinking right now.
Umenya yete bure ya kuromba na nakwenda support ya Kawira.
I know what Jim is thinking right now.
Nanya awire ambereria na kuwa Kawira inua constituency yewe.
Kawira no ari orongo kiasi kiu. So let Kawira na Kawira no bagita uria roira kuria Kawira na Kawira kioni. Oni mujumbe woto ntazeni pato muri full stop. Na tujaba Sifuna itokumalia ideologies chetu na chama Sifuna ni goitania and very soon tuko chitoko rajaje uju ogatona kinyato iteni chama.
Very well. Jim wethwania this time round Ruto akona kureia na Meru. Last time arena 400 slightly above 400,000.
369. Arena 369.
Ngegwera mantero to bitoko tumatine ngegwera manteri.
Nakato kudhiria
ingo menyana rikana I wish screen hii yona nyambicha era muraga baragire de metega ati bena muraga saidi muraga saidi kawira saidi muraga wate na ninjara boya baga wata na jara lakini wai limbijera boya metega no awete kawira jara you see boga yakuni water no just a minute leave me alone ako kwera mati elia dedo wete usumba dipisha nyame ro ra ile mizum kawe nilika no wete kawe ranjara o is so difficult me ya kuito watanira angalia to watana njara o watena nani lakini nilika no wete no wete ko
so relax
so arojara beteka wengitera right wate so nani no amwete nanjara eba mwete imati let us come back here 1 month to election ukamburia finally leo tuone takura 369 Meru 369,000 atara deputy president Muma Meru so I believe this round will be more solid as we near the election. I believe so. I'm going to why I believe so. One of the key problem wera regarding ira to the Meru issues tia projects. No, don't we have a lot of expectations, of course, Naruto atwera in the first 2 years very stabilize the economy and all that and whatever, and I believe that. So maybe by August next year kile project rate itakamilika. No twende ya tigane west barabara ile ina monki mononi meomponi whatever right now the contract type meadene contract type
we are so used to contractor nejite contractor
ipo
contractor
you see time will tell time we have time na unte reason ya kwa mtu na akiwa no gaida agenda kaombera with after election then I would have a lot of problems.
Thank you. Fair
because we have a day a D-Day ambayo ni election and I believe if they complete all those things in bridge whatever they are saying I believe we will have a better starting in Meru more than me. Finally, Martin.
Thank you.
Final reward. Gachagua was the deputy president for 2.5 years. Kindiki will be the deputy president for 2.5 years. Instead of Soprano, Jaidechi and Ama, what I expect him to go election to Atogo Ringapur, I will be asking Kindiki for 2.5 years, what have you influenced? Kuya Mount Kenya East, Kuya Mount Kenya South, Kuya Mount Kenya East, Kuya Meru. We will also be able to ask also Gachagua, Rawa to a draft Soprano delivery. Kana whatever, Kana Kafupi, Kana whatever. What have you delivered?
Okay.
Also in that time. And I want to Koromba Meru, and all I don't to Muru, Yana Banani, the Muna, to a draft. Let's see who has brought whatever in me to Mudiadano to whatever would have working in
very well. Precisely though,
yeah.
Gachagua deputy president miake Lena Meriele.
Yeah.
Wakili Mustafa. Imbibi atuma uvuka sakafu unyo upande mwingine wa serikali.
Ni impossible. Boni? Yani buku madriga
yeah.
Ni impossible. Ni impossible Martin non to.
Kenyatta can deliver.
Ni impossible non to. Bombere ni ideology. Ideology. Inkure woni de may have been practicing international human rights law. Na investigate kabisa kenda endelea. Lazima uwe kuna usawa na haki. Na dhira amire koro wa Gen Z. Na wedare volunteer wa LSK. Na di lonka mocha rencurious yana aba ni boroi. Nana bana di salsia mongo. Na dhika itari ke koro antule 2025 bado we had over 70 people killed. Ninyaro mnyare daito kwaria anti waro ngitengela the other day. Koko kutena political tolerance kana political maturity in Kenya. Ni wazo gore nyamiro yezo kwaria makirukyo gore ida tutakona kura. Kendo so ke anseu inkwire ngombi si ngiri mwanja mburi si ngiri dano na ngiri datu na manatano. Agriculture Meru no the biggest agriculture producer in Kenya. Ya account for 8.1% agriculture in Kenya. Kiorina ya tirena ino 70% ya yani uchumi wa Meru ki 70% uma ya agriculture. Buri myomera yani okuma we ucheva constituency rema mera Meru. Sababu ya wengine ruto ne nonto bare na hope that thoko mereka abua diga yoto yokuma itabu nyota ito kwaria tani jira ita kama kabudi kururu njaro but still that agreement ile kulimitane je Somalia iko bado kateleo control
bado wabeta kurura mwanka
but as long as kuna limited tonnage as long as kuna kateli ya kutoka yani itondoke tumwa Somalia kembi kuitwa na tia account yani rasmi ya serikali actually dem do is in ambassador na sita ko demu myomera ukaringira ruto kura nondo maisha kata asenji nyawo kanidhi okathoko na okathoko kidhani ulimbwa mayani yani bonus iko wa 2024 2025 share amongst the lowest ever. I think kidogo bari ya nyingi 20 yani bonus si mayani ko ute mbona sababu imbea ya utuma ruto ona kura Meru no tole yani dikita sema maendeleo na timu anto ya kulingira mpe anga into kwa stadium anga mamariko ni maisha mwana yani mwananchi ya kawaida ndio umeresia sana ngudenda ndio na kwe meri kenda de siasa every day dinga dimon yani dhina sia sukuru sia sibitari mwananchi kawaida na kula dhinene sana ninyo mwa yana kana manelewa mwetanga delegates anga ko bote ntoko na nima anything yesinja nonto mbira basirasi ya Wakenya bilioni every day oyekuiwa corruption no yekuo tribalism kutoka 2005 heads of parastatals 205 91 ikalejini
State House ira double budget yayo
kuma
bikinya mbere mwaka yuthira
na mbere ko dira
17 billion
kwa tu ganto daika nyaba tukileta Middle East na kuna androa digari abera bari bari tikiti beso Kenya na tukida 7 billion 17 State House kuruwa saina mandasi
some reasonable right
tutena what it takes to govern a country constitutionalism kana good governance na rule of law hiyo ndio kwa jimu akiwa bato bana kwa tanto no ndiwo gira ngabe rule of law ikitangwe mtu aweze makosa kawa hatawa utiwa yetu tuenda kwa
kura tukona ndapo
kiki mtu alichuria atire mutunga nwe sitting MP na toki kinwe na chinya nilitia kile sitting MP
kusinya niliate
kiamene why would you
what is wrong with that
I know right kuya huko makiamene kile kwenda but what political mathematics is this yaya yaku mathabu yaya yaku, I would want to understand that we mutunga sitting MP ya kiamene kike thirikari na no kwenda huku makiamene huku kia thirikari
ipo ya no ntoba kiure kiu Martin clarify tika kwenda huku ma kata hukumire na ande ku a full member a full member with all the rights.
There are so many options.
Na mwanka thayu uratu eno ekuo in fact abati kumenya na akaria na umabu that we are co-wives kiamene kiriko kiamene ki na tuwetete mwanka nominations na ngati nuka wanti aku
lakini tio we
ari tioni na ngati nuka anti akuriko na bibio biretete thina muno ibo nto kuona oni kiurwa mpuro chentuko cio cionde na you.
And you think nominations you get is free and fair?
Yes, very fair.
I wish you well.
Very fair.
I wish you the very best.
Tuekuo na we are co-wives na u atubanduki.
Asante. Wakili, do you think kuketho kwina free and fair nominations kiamenekenu, especially after Mary Emetheka last Sunday?
Kenya idi.
Kana ama uta exit.
Kenya idi betabo kwa limanto free and fair nominations. Actually tikaika ya maingi.
Okay.
Kuko ndingasi cia kukimenya wina option A, B na C yo atumira.
Na kwa right fair or not treat you na no unfairly.
Thank you very much, gentlemen and ladies.
That was down. Meya kwa antu bakuanga kia maiki abao hapana.
Every mtu endo kare akiuriga get tofauti. Yeah.
Because this is it affected my constituency. I've been quiet.
Ndula untiuma.
It's a very serious matter. I want to first of all
Please to mirror less than a minute.
Less than a minute. Kwina mwana na arua kira kiomba gutuma kinabaga thidi ya barabara iliku oni tutumba kuiga na thirikari ici kwi mwana thaisi kira giatuma nchererwa kuri tanga kinya thira nusu no tuba mwana ore uringiro risasi ya kiongo thaisi kiongo ICU arora kiuro mission hospital ndatiga kwa andimite ndia eterete sanjo ndaiga akinya nikendeja kumita risasi ile kiongo
Boris
and then ya police and then you are here telling me ati uninga
That's what I've seen in the
let
the one speaking.
Okay.
You know me, I am from there. Unda umano ini kwa ya mchana.
That's what I'm saying. I'm telling you.
You know Jim, don't be shy.
No witness shooting you.
In terms, I'm the one who was there.
Did you see the
No witness re o
Okay, you see Jim now, Jim, you can ask him that nonto kinya wote onere nguvu wo kwa demo
Baki
la.
mtu ndo atri, uno kwenda atri, bonde mitandao ne. Ukero ngutie ndisi.
Na nwendo kare yo. And he was there. Okay.
You know Jim. Focus on your point. My point here is, Dula cannot support this Jim's government. Ikimbura irana live ntegete na meto chako. Uninda uma sibitari Jim kuike mwana ora sibitari.
No, no askari.
Wewe endelea na
Okay. Looks like toba kwa kipindi ke
tukediria.
Kata mutethie. Kwa mundori mandu ya kwa na shoti list jina rito remo. Ile kwa shoti list remo ya county. Au kwa yali rito actually I saw the same tukadia na public service. Na tubaire mbate oge aguthe rito no kone rimwe andiki then there is an ID number.
Thank you.
Na confirm ID number kithia noe.
Okay. Now, diria ndei ka.
Ni ale maisha ya mtu chakwa affected. Especially mwana ya ICU ali ntenda mtu kaira kureta mushedo because it is very emotional to me. I saw this mwana ojo akirabo ininda jokia mwana ojo dike sibitali ndamutiga ICU and Jim is here trying to
I'm not making fun. I'm
It is the same thing that the government is doing. There mtu agutaka kuipolisi kwa wenja akeja kuragirwa police station yet the government is telling us ati mwana ojo ga chiringirira
Okay. Thank you, Steve.
I'm just assisting.
Then the Jim. maisha ya mtu ti ng'ondu.
No,
Maisha ya mtu ti nguku.
by the way,
when the life is being discussed, ukareta mchezo juju wenu za kwenda kweli mtu.
Lakini ukaleta urongo pia.
Thank you. Asante. Thank you, Steve.
I've seen nini?
Asante.
Uko na mitandao ne?
Okay. Guys, Steve, thank you.
And I cannot support this government ikiura kana beto and you are here telling me that I can sit down with Akina team and to discuss material college.
Haiwezekani.
Never.
So.
Ile ambayo itawezekana ni kwamba tukuthirie kipindi. Thank you very much no tubakwetha na watu tuko baruare tukari na Steve Kanyanya kuma ruterero rani muri etikia buri Mheshimiwa Jim ni MCA wa Thwana na Majority Chief Whip kiri bunge ya county ya Meru. Wakili hao ni wakili wa human rights na nakurire etikia senator ndene ya county ya Meru na Kiki Bensuda hao nwe arikia meneke UDA arenda kiama arenda itikia Tiania West. Thank you very much gentlemen and lady, we really appreciate. Asante sana. Kiri barabo onde bombe dhiti mbango yetu nke siasa tuweta sana, but thank you non to botoa medho yaku na mato yaku tokari live kiri Wero FM na Wero TV kiri barabo onde bombe dhiti mbango yoyo chunke siasa tukubaruare. Asanteni sana. Good night. It's been real for real.
Thank you for real.